Algo day, guys. I don't know. What up, chat? Go just pushing. Algo day. Oh my bad. Y'all thought this was the intro for a Friday? I got you guys. I got your chest.
Yeah. Whoa. Shit. You know, I was just talking to I was talking to Thug, he said, Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. He said, that's a rolly kid. I said, this is a new rolly kid. I am a Splistonian. Look how big this rolly is. Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. He said, that's a rolly kid. I said, this is a new rolly kid. I am a Splistonian. Look how big this rolly is. Uzi, I am proud of you. Rock. Star yellow bitch like corn. Went to MIA, turn orange. Pull up new lamb, no insurance. Baby foreign. Overseas money when a nigga torn. She suck it up and the eyes start pouring. Let me strap my leg out like George. Whoa, let's go. It's no way that I'm finding you. She move like a prostitute. She ain't got a lot to lose. No, no, at all. Yes, my rolly face is green. Shiny rolly face is red. Got no rolly face is blue. Let's go, for sure, for sure. I could never make that girl my hoe, cause she play with her nose. Put diamonds on my wrist, my hands, my neck, my nose. I ran out of space, put it on my ankle, put it on my toes. Oh yeah, put it on your bitch, put it on my bro. Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. He said, that's a rolly kid. I said, this is a new rolly kid. I am a Splistonian.
Algo day, chat. Algo day. Broke it down last night, right? Got the day count closure. We have nowhere else to see today. Gold has no life on it today until we see 1785. If that breaks, then you're looking at 1820. Algo day. I'm just gonna switch to the screen. What's going on, chat? What's going on, chat? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Boom, boom, boom. Yep. Whatever he just said. Boom, boom, boom. Good vibes on the stream every day. Good vibes. We're vibing today. We have no life until 1785 here. I mean, gold has no life until 1785. You know? There was absolute no guessing here. No drawing arrows. Full on analysis from the century time frame down to the 30-second time frame. You know, the weekly, look at the weekly. Before I actually get into the stuff, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and I go back to the boring music again. Alright, it's alright. So if you look at the weekly came down this week to create a lower wick, never broke the lows. Okay, never broke the lows. So yesterday, as everyone's like, oh shit, the gold buys, you didn't catch a single gold buy, da 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 da. just wait for today, right? If you take one single entry today, all you have to do is just wait for today. Weekly candle didn't flip bullish, daily candle closed bullish, creating that support. Going to daily, right? Look where we closed last day for a daily time frame. Above this resistance, we broke above. Therefore, today high chance you have for price to drive up towards the next level of resistance. Look left, where's that? Okay, minor resistance right here. If this breaks, this is Chibala, because we're going to 1810, 1820 on a 4 hour time, on a weekly time frame, right? It's totally clean traffic. I'm looking at today 1785 minimum, but 1810 could be a possibility today. And I think I texted Andre last night before I went to bed. Gold 500 pip Algo day. Just do price action. But hey, let's see. I'm not hyping today up. I want you guys to be patient today, obviously, but just know that some entries today you guys might get could be a lot more impulse entries than actual closures above ranges and closures below ranges, obviously, right, for buyers. So you might not get the perfect closure, but what we will get is those impulse entries, breaks to the previous kind of highs or breaks up above a range. So be prepared for those aggressive moves on gold. You take gold trade? I have a long story for that. Well, not a real long story, but yeah, I did take a gold trade.
Oh,
I sent it to you, Andre. What you mean?
I didn't see it.
I sent it at 6:22 a.m.
Oh, I just missed it.
It wasn't that crazy, but it's
okay.
still. You know what I did? Since it's an Algo day today, I just left it. Well, I closed partial probably, obviously, right? But I waited for this 1 hour candle to close right before I went to bed, because that's what I drew out. I think I drew it out in the channels I sent the analysis to. I think I drew it out right here. What's going on, guys? Where I draw here? Oh, right here. I'm like, wait for support to form. Wait for that bullish candle closure as support. It could be during Asian, London, New York, but wait for that support to form. Once the support forms, it could be anywhere. It can be here, it can be down here, it can be here. Anywhere that it forms that, once the candle closes bullish, that's your entry stop loss below the previous candle low for price to drive up to retest the highs. We got that on the hourly candle. So during I think late Asian, I want to say morning of late Asian, I'll say late Asian, around like 11, I entered an entry and I just put my stops there and went to bed below the current candle low. So I survived the whole thing overnight and just TP up here. I hardly do that, but it was an Algo day, so I anticipate price to really drive up to retest the highs, which is right here at 1767 after support was formed down here. So I mean, so now it's like, okay, we're pushing up. Next level of resistance you have is gonna be looking left. That's probably gonna be like around here. This is where we are right now. But if this breaks today, then you're looking steeper, man. You're looking at, you guys are in for a run, because we're looking at 1790 next resistance here. So Algo day is what we have today. All right, so I'll say wait for a closure above here. Oh, we got the closure already. Wow. Let's see, what can we do here in this situation? I got a runner still running right now, but trying to see if we could get our entry in. That's the 4 hour. I want to see the 1 hour how it looks there. And 30 actually. Yeah, 30 minute resistance right here, I'll say. Pretty heavy resistance. Not bad. If you break this, then you're looking at 1778, which is not bad. A 4 pip range going up. Or minimum 1781. So I'm gonna go mark up 1781 actually. Next resistance level. And then you're gonna have this, which is later on stronger level. So that's that. Alright. Patience now. And that's all about waiting. Alright, so prefer you want closure above here, or I'll wait for the bearish candle to close and then I'll mark that up as my resistance. Because same thing I'm looking for here. Same thing I was looking for last night. Wait for 1 hour closure as support to go back up. Same thing I'm looking for here. Right? Potentially maybe wait for support to be formed somewhere. It could be anywhere. It could be down here. It could be further down. Who knows? But once that support gets formed, what you want to do is you're probably gonna want to wait for that bullish candle closure as support to take buys going up to retest the highs. Right, the same shit we've been drawing out every single day for the past like 20 days of same concept. Right, and then you want to enter buys here to retest the highs and then continue up to fill the next level of resistance. That's how it is. But guys, be prepared for an Algo day. Oh, it's in the making, right? I already moved. I can't wait for one message. Don, what is an Algo day? I'm prepared for it today. I'm prepared for it. Hey Don, I took this buy at your gold. Can you check it out? I got you, man. I got you. I'm pretty sure if you took buy today, you're solid. I'm pretty sure it's trade play out for you. I ain't gotta check. Let's see. You should be solid. If you're taking sell today though, you need to reevaluate on why you're trading. Not in a bad way though, just like, you know, why you're trading. Are you trying to catch and the reversals? Like, what are you trying to do? 771. Yep, clean buys on. Clean buys. Yeah. If you take buys today, you should be fine. Nice TP you have there, 778. I guess is above resistance. I think once the account closes in 11 minutes here, in 11 minutes, once it closes, you should get buy interest coming up to fill the range. So you should be solid on this runner coming up towards that target. Or around 70 pip runner. Nice, man. We might get a 7 pip runner today on stream. Who knows? Look at GJ. I'm not expecting much on GJ. Look at GJ. I am not. I said yesterday on the analysis that I'm not looking for anything on GJ today. I'm staying on GJ until we actually get a daily breakout. It looks pretty chalked from what I see here. It looks pretty chalked. Yeah, pretty chalked. Look at this. Look at this daily range here. We're still in it. We don't have a breakout here. It's on the range, therefore there's no trades. Let's just hope this range doesn't last for long. Wait for that breakout whenever that is. It can come next week. It can come the week after. But whenever it does come, that's when I will execute on GJ sells or positions. Until then, it's looking pretty chalked. Like, this is not even worth the markup anymore. But I mean, I guess we could yeah, this is not focused on GJ today. This is focused on gold. Gold, AGGRO day, GJ, paint, dry. There we go. Did you catch gold? Of course I caught gold. She made it catch gold. I'm playing. No, I didn't catch gold. Yeah. Gold need to retrace? Yeah. It doesn't need to retrace, but that's what you want, right? But it doesn't need to retrace. It can retrace anywhere though. That's the thing. So today is a day where you just, you know, just remember, Algo day. So you might not get the retracements. You might just get straight pushes. I hope you guys starting to know what Algo days are more now. You know, like the more we talk about it, the more we, you know, call the days that what days they are and how we can anticipate them. The more I hope you guys understand what they actually are. Like, you guys can feel. I know you guys can feel what they are though. Like, you guys have seen these days before in the past. These specific days where gold just pushes before giving you any type of retracements or any type of pullbacks. And those are what Algo days are. It started off when I missed, I think it was Thursday. I remember the exact same day. Thursday, like I think February or something, mid-February, when I missed a certain day on a Thursday and I was pushing crazy. We didn't get any closures. I didn't get any entries, but then I looked back at it later that day. Looked back to the stream and I'm like, wow. Days like this is when you can enter impulse entries, a lot more of those impulse entries. So then I decided to call these type of days Algo days to define that they're going to be volatile sessions or volatile days in general. Yep, goes in traffic, takes 100. Yep, sorry, right on the money. You think gold will push much higher? Yes. I don't think it. I see it. Right. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Then we won't get any entries in. But I see it pushing up. Therefore, I will anticipate a lot more buys today than sells. But if you're looking to catch a reversal right now, or if you're in a sell full margin, then you might be chalked. You might be chalked. I hope no one's stuck in a sell here at this resistance. Double top sell. 61.8. Trend line. Bearish engulfing at resistance. I'm fine. What's flipping peeps? Let's go to Aldo. We've been 10 plus pips up on a runner on GJ, but I moved stops to break even too early. Trade was still played out though, so still win. It is a win, bro. You know, just do the same thing over and over again. It'll play out eventually. Well, at least your runner will play out eventually, right? Remember, runners always get stopped out 80% of the time, so don't feel like discouraged after. Don't feel like shit after. They always play out. 15-minute close above this range here. Do we get an entry in once the candle flips bullish here? System price to drive up here. How big is it from the highs here? That's 6 pips already. Go close above the range, you guys. I'm in a position here for buys. Let me put it on a chart in a second.
Okay.
So we have 15 minutes left for this kind of a closer. I got in a position here, and what I'm gonna do is that if this this last 15 were not to close above this level here at 17.7, above 17.4, I will look to manage risk. But I'm anticipating that the 1 hour is gonna close above as well with this 13 minutes left in this candle with the inaugural day. So I got in a position right here as we broke above this resistance here. This one right here, if you look left, right, and my stop loss is below the previous 15-minute candle low. Right, this resistance here, we got closure above, look left, clean traffic until 779 minimum, I'm saying. So I'm in a position, got on the opening of the candle here, and I'm anticipating price to drive up towards the next level of resistance, which is up here. So my stop loss is going to be below the previous candle low right here, and my TP is up here for 64 pips. I hope that song in the morning doesn't get the stream chalked. Because it's a new song, so I don't know how it's gonna work. I think I should be fine though. I should be fine. Uzi, I am proud of you. Yeah, I have a video on entries on my course. Yep, different types of entries. AKA just said that. Yeah, we also explain how setups are different from entries. So we explain different setups, and then we explain different entries as well. If this bets don't play out and we close back inside the range, I'll close it with managing risk. I'll take another position after we close above the range later on. Right? Because I want this hour to close above, and we have about 13 minutes left. And with the anticipation that the volume that's going to be pushed into the market today, on gold especially, I'm anticipating price to drive above here for the 8 AM count to continue up as well. So this is a 7 AM candle in 12 minutes here. And we have the 8 AM candle in about an hour and a half. So this candle closes above, we should push up towards here. At the 8 AM, we should push up further up. If this next 1 hour candle decides to push up cleanly. So, let's see.
And you have normal risk on that 24 pip stop loss or no?
Yeah. That's actually not bad for gold, to be honest. 24 pip.
No, it's not.
It's like a normal stop for gold, average.
That entry I had, it was on the 15-minute, it was like 15 pips. I was cool with that.
Where's it up here? No, it was this one, right
there.
This one?
The next candle up.
Oh, this next candle? What was left there? I didn't see. Yeah, that's pretty clean. Yeah, that's clean till here. Yeah. Good job, sir. You got runners right now? You're leaving it, right?
Yeah,
I know you're leaving it today. You gotta leave it today. If any day you leave it, it has to be today.
Got an entry at 1773. I sent a chart a minute ago, but it was like when the stream first started.
I'm just standing up early today. Damn.
AGGRO day on gold. It's time to get locked in.
Yeah. We have an algo day. even if gold doesn't like, you know, move all the way up to like our target, I'll still consider an Algo day today with the way, with how much, you know, with the way price moved already last night. Good morning. What up, man? What up, Rich W7? What's going on? Got 10 pips on gold before the stream started. Nice. I think everyone caught gold today. Don, don't you think we ever moved so much today be buying? Mike Ross. Bob Ross. Guys, follow that trend until it breaks. Hey, gold moved so much yesterday, remember? Remember gold moved so much yesterday? What happened today? We pushed up again. All we had to do is wait for that closure. Look at the weekly. Look at the weekly. From here to here, today's last day of the weekly, so it makes sense for us to drive up today towards the 1784 mark. That's totally clean traffic I see here. And we're just breaking above ranges. I'll say we can stop moving. I can agree with you if we come back into the range, or if we come back into like 1768 levels, pop back into the range. I think, okay, yeah, buys are probably kind of chalked here. But even if we don't move up here from where our entry is, like, if you come down and break these lows, what's gonna happen is we're breaking back into the range as well. Therefore, we'll probably just stay in the range, or it might just consolidate for a bit before it pushes up later on. Right, this may happen. So I'll look for more buys later on if this were to happen. But we'll be able to see if it doesn't move anymore. We'll be able to see if it is gonna move again, right? In this case, I'm expecting it to move again because we're closing above the range. And I am expecting an Algo day towards my target for a day. Or week, take it for the week. So, man, are you speaking English?
Yes, sir. I am speaking English. Do you want to get that? Ha 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 ha.
Hey chat, I'm playing. Hey guys, I'm moving my stops to break even here, making this a risk-free trade, anticipating price to drive up here. Risk-free.
Nice, bro. Finish him. Finish your bag.
That's funny.
I'm going on 10 pips. They're moving stops to break even. I'm actually gonna close half here too. No, not yet. No, sorry. I thought I got 10 pips. I got like 9-ish. When I get my 10 pips, I'm gonna close half. But this is a risk-free trade now. I don't expect this kind of flip bearish if it wants to drive up here, right? So, and we got an entry on the opening of the candle too. So this kind of shouldn't flip bearish if it wants to drive up again. If it does hit our entry, then we'll look for more entries later on. But it's an Algo day today, so yeah, I'm closing half here, guys, at around 10 pips. 9-10 pips, and then gonna leave this running going up until TV. So now I got 2 runners running for my day.
And savage.
I'm a savage. That you just said.
Yeah.
Nice. Our TP looks crazy, right? If our TP's here, you're like, oh yeah, it makes somebody close half. But TP's up here. I want to secure some profits here, so we can leave the runner just risk-free chilling for a day if it does survive our entry point. Right. So you guys have it. Yeah, honestly, bro, I didn't want to, to ban or anything. I just want to use the mic thing, so I just tested it. And I mean, I'm sorry I had to come out like that, but Premier Auto has timed you out for 300 seconds. I know you probably meant no harm, but just vibe today, guys. Just vibe today. Just vibe today. If you don't understand me, then don't watch me. Like if you don't understand me, you understand my charts. You understand the pips I give you. So there it is. I'm back. What up, Mohammed? What's going on, man? Pronounce my name. Lutfill. Shift T, okay. Hold on, I'm actually inviting you to the Zoom call, man. My boy Shifty, this runner's going up, guys. Oh my god, guys, chat.
Oh my
chat.
god.
Oh, gold's pushing up. Algo day. What can I say? Algo day. Right, guys. It's man. I just
Nice, bro.
I can't even talk. Gold's pushing up. Only 30% profit here, guys. I'm trying to find this part. Give me a second. I'm gonna pause the music for a second. Let me just record this real quick so I can save this to my sampler. And I got you guys.
Oh.
Yes.
She a runner.
Hey, she's a runner, she's a track star.
Gold, she a runner, she a track star today, guys. She a runner, she a track. If you guys enjoyed this trade here, leave a like on the stream, guys. Leave us on the stream, guys. Leave a like on the stream. Let's hit it. 20 likes only. 20 likes for 40 pips. Chat. We can do better than that.
21.
Do you guys need Carlo here? Is that what you guys need here? Do you guys need Carlo here? Algo day. Algo day. What can I
This
say?
thing is breaking out.
What can I say? Chat. Hey, Don, see you next week. Jokes. Hey, bro. You can dip if you want. Hey, bro. All love, guys. All love. Hope you guys caught it straight here. This is broker down, entry given, stop loss given, managed risk given. Now she's a runner. She's a track star given. Come on. Can we hit TP? We're 30 pips away. Guys, but we have the hourly closing in 2 minutes here. So expect a little pullback here for a wick to be formed. And then once that wick gets formed, new candle opens up, creates a lower wick. You should be solid for price to drive up. This should be the next candle coming up. Or by expecting to have a pullback here a little bit. Something like this you expect today. Man.
Damn. 60 pip runner.
Yeah, I got right now. I got a runner too from last night. I got 2 runners. This runner is 40% profit. I'm actually gonna close another like 15% here probably. So 0.75 closing probably. I'll leave now. I got a 1.75 runner on this one, and the other runner I have from last night has a 2 lot running, which is about from 7063. So that's around 150 pip. No, 100. Yeah, 150 pip running, risk free on the other entry. So closing our prices here. 3 and 4 pips.
I got stopped out last night on the pullback and inside the range, so my runner got taken out. But you know, break even is better than negative. So
did you take this one?
I'm trading gold in London, Don, and got whipsawed out with like 8 pips.
That's fine, man. Hope you caught this one. I think London was pretty clean though. London wasn't bad, was it? Whipsawed. London opening was 3 m, no top wick, no entry there yet. But right here, this would be an entry maybe 345 closure support to retest the highs, continuation. This entry would have survived the runner, I think, the 3 m one, or this one maybe, but probably this 3 m one, 345 ish.
No, GJ, I got whipsawed.
Oh, GJ, okay. GJ was just chalked.
Yeah, I mean, it went up, and it came a little pullback at the 15-minute candle. It went up, and then it just dove down, and it went back up again.
Samurai, how long you been trading for today?
I did about 45 minutes in London, and then I jumped on the stream here. I took a nap and jumped on the stream here. So it was 2 trades, 1 gold, 1 GJ.
I'm actually on. I'm trying to.
Hey. She's a runner, she's a track star.
There you go. I got it. That's all I needed. I just need to record it real quick. Jays, we're pushing up here, guys.
Yep.
Oof. I'm gonna give you the link, Shifty. My bad, man. I'm just too overwhelmed right now. Well, not overwhelmed, just too
Excited, hyped.
yeah.
She's a runner. She's a runner. She's a track star.
Man, are we pushing? Okay. I think this can't open up no bottom wick. Once this count flips bullish again, creating out lower wick. Let's just hope it survives our entry. I think it will here. I believe it will. But our entry is down here, obviously. So let's hope this count doesn't come down all the way down to that support. But wherever that count flips at, once it flips bullish, you can either one, move your stops up that count low if you want to manage risk like that, or two, you can just expect to hit TP at 1781. We're like 30 pips away. Let's see what happens here. What's gonna do? You guys hear me on Zoom?
Yes.
There you go. Chat mic. Maybe I fixed it. I changed my mic for a sec.
Great trade.
What's happening? Aggro day. Why is there no retest? I always tell you guys, we said this earlier. It's an Algo day. Don't expect like the cleanest like price action retest to retest that. Like don't expect. Algo days is when a price has a lot of volume and sometimes it doesn't have room or time to come down and get that retest, right? So therefore, there might always you gotta take those impulse entries, breaks above the ranges, etc. Right? So that's what we executed today. But these are what Algo days are. You're not gonna get the cleanest, like slowest traffic. It's gonna be pretty quick and fast. Would you have to position if lower wick form? You could maybe. You could on the flip, but it's gonna be a very aggressive entry. I mean, it's an Algo day though, so it does make sense. I don't think I am though, because I got two runners right now. I got a runner from last night going, and I got a runner from right here today from this trade. So let's see. My runner should be safe, but this runner here might get stopped out break even. So that's why I closed another 50%. Securing 65% at around 4 pips, and then now I got to the 35% running risk free. Then we're gonna enter that WAP. This is just a closure above a range. You had a resistance here. This count closed above the range, doing what the other counts looking left couldn't do. Therefore, once the count came up after creating a lower wick, flipped. That's your entry for price to drop up to retest this range here. Fill that range. Why 1781? Because look left, that's clean traffic until that resistance. There's actually clean traffic further up and above like 1790, but after like 1820 potentially. But this is the next nearest resistance you have here. So I'm gonna probably take profit on this position at that area and wait for a closure above. Look left here. You see how this traffic here, this struggle here. Wait for a closure above there for more buys going up to fill this range later on. So we'll get another entry probably. It's not grade 2, so let's see. Is there a resistance here? Let's see. Yeah, there was a resistance here, minor resistance right here at 1778.860. Yeah, right there, that resistance. Very minor though. I still expect price to push up after it flips, obviously. See if we can get that. Guys, these are just runners, all right? This is just runners. Okay. How I manage this trade. Minor resistance. Closest represent 40 pips. Risk free runner until TP. Alright. Hey, but Ayo, I can't pronounce your name. Ayo? I'm calling Ayo. If this count does come down, obviously hit a break even, then that could be the potential retest. But I wouldn't consider taking entry right on that, like, you know, retest. I'll say wait for a bullish candle closure support. Right, because that'll be a very risky, frisky entry. This is probably what you'll want. Press the drive down here. You know, obviously create support somewhere. This may happen, it may not, right? But if this doesn't happen, if this count does close bearish, then it could happen. And then at support, wait for the bullish candle closure at support to retest the highs to continue back up. And this is your entry. To continue up, to continue up. Right? So let's see. It's either that or we just flip here to go bullish. But we have like 10 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. Let's hope it stays bullish. If it doesn't, then you may get the starter play going up on the 15. Gold played out well. Let's see. I'm pretty sure you took gold buys to play out well, right? Oh yeah, let's go. Nice, Jamal. Good stuff. Turn me up. Yeah, look left, look left, look left. That's how I found these areas here of resistance. This is by looking left. Guys, whenever I say algo days, I don't mean to hype everything up. You know, like I'm not trying to hype things up. I'm just trying to tell you that it's gonna be a volatile day today, so expect a lot of volume. Right, but still wait for your normal entries that you'll wait for. Like this is an entry that I always take closure above a range to continue up. Right, and don't be too worried about, oh, go to remove 100 pips, go to remove so much already. Is like, do you think it's still gonna go up? Like it goes up until it stops going up. And how you know when it's gonna stop going up? Well, you'll see it with price action. You'll see when it's at a range, right? You see that range formed. But until then, follow the trend until it breaks, right? Don't be too worried about, oh, it moved up 100 pips already. There's no more buys for me today. It's like Dogecoin or, you know, Bitcoin in other terms. You know, people who got in at 40k on Bitcoin, people who got in at 8k on Bitcoin, it's like, well, there's always gonna be someone else under that said, well, why didn't you get in at $1, or why didn't you get in at $100, right? There's always someone better than you or got better entry than you. So like gold, I got an entry here, but someone probably got an entry like down here at $1 and still holding to this day as a long-term investment, right? So there's different perspectives to look at it as, but number one key thing is just follow the trend until it breaks.
Warren Buffett.
Yes. Vibes are different today. It is. Andre, you took this trade, right? Oh, because I'm mute.
Yeah, he said he took it. He was in at 773.
Yeah, what'd you say, bro?
You took the trade, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got in 1773. So I was like, I actually had that 1779 15-minute resistance as my profit for like 60 pips.
Yeah.
But
you close full?
I closed like 80% of my position.
That's fine.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna let this last 20% run. If it hits runners, then whatever. I've secured a decent amount, right? I secured more than my initial lots that I popped. So I'm happy.
Yeah. I mean, now you got runners. I mean, if you leave a runner from that first entry, I mean, you could try it. You might get stopped at break even though. But I was thinking if you're able to break above this resistance this week, then next week we're looking like an algo week potentially until like 1882, even 1820. But I know damn well you're not going to hold to that long.
I just set my entry.
Yeah, there was a resistance here. There was a resistance here, guys. It was right here on the hourly, I think. Right here, minor resistance. Right, so it makes sense why we rejected there. If you want to close full, you can close full here. I still with the higher time frame, I still anticipate price to break above, continue up towards minimum like 1785 today. So I'm leaving a runner since this is my second position, right? But if it's your first position, just close full here and call it a Friday if you want to. I wonder if I can play the whole Young Thug album today. I probably won't. I will probably can't, right? I mean, I know I won't get paid for the stream from YouTube, which I don't care about. It'll be like a couple bucks, but I wonder if the stream will get taken down though. That's the thing. Open entry, yes, that's clean, man. Yeah, day target runner 779. Yep.
We tapped that.
Can we flip bullish here? Yes.
Might close bearish on the 15 and then have a celery going up.
Stefano got a chart. Yes, nice counter draws, bro. Nice ice cream cone.
They're horrible, bro.
Hey yo. Hey yo. Hey yo is right. Hey yo is right.
Give me rooftop drop, we shoot at your whole.
If today's stream get taken down, what happens? Are you guys be mad? I mean, you guys are here right now, right? I just want to vibe out today. I just want to play whatever I want to play. That's the thing. I don't know. Who's the label? Young Stoner Record Life Records. Okay, let's see. I gotta figure something out here. Let me dig deep into this before I go ahead and okay, I'll unmonetize my stream and then we'll figure things out. Monetize, off, done, save. Okay. I think we should be fine. Stream is taken down today, sorry guys, but you guys are here for it. Why did Scout not go to prom? I don't know. Why did Scout not go to prom? Because he had nobody to go. Damn. That's sad. Chad, let's set with the chart here. What's going on, Chad? I didn't say, my friend. Stop loss, hour one current TP. Wait, what? Oh, that was your last trade. Okay, had a buy stop above versus I felt good wasn't going to give me an entry. I felt good wasn't going to give me an entry. This is the hour. This is 30-minute time frame. Ooh, this is last night London. Nice, man. Good stuff. I can't see. Is there a closure there, or is on impulse entry? I think that's more of an impulse entry above the range. But yeah, on Algo days is when you can anticipate the most impulse entries of all this. Music too loud or is good? Music good?
I think it's fine.
Okay.
It's too low.
Just making sure it's not too loud. Too low? Are you sure?
No, I think it's fine.
Okay. Oh, I think YouTube is different. I'd rather, you know, vibe out on a vibe out day than, you know, worry about my video being up. Aren't you the same? Yeah. What you say?
Oh, who, me? Oh, nothing. I was just agreeing.
Gee, now the music's too loud for me. Hey, bro, how do you predict the next day will be an algo day? Is there lots of volume the day before? Cheers. No, it has nothing to do with that, because that's too much emotional thinking. It's more has to do with charts, the charts itself. So I'll explain today for one last time. But I don't think I got this question today yet. But if this is a just imagine, close your eyes, and just refresh your memory, and just pretend that this is a 15-minute time frame. If this is a 15-minute time frame, obviously this is a day time frame, right? If this is a 15-minute time frame and we get a closure above a range on a 15-minute time frame, what would you expect the next 15-minute candle to do? Look left, clean traffic, drive it out towards this area, right? So this is what you expect for price to tap today, that resistance. Therefore, if that's clean traffic on a higher time frame during the day, high chance that day has to continue pushing up towards that area. So therefore, on a small time frame, it'll look like what gold's doing right now, right? Just clean pushes. So those are algorithms. Clean, aggressive, volatile pushes. That's the best description I have for that. I need that playlist. Yeah, I want to listen to this song. This song had going in it. Sounds a vibe. I heard a bit of it.
What is this? I haven't heard this.
Slam language 2 came on last night.
Word.
I'm too early, you know? Too early. Yeah, it has to do with traffic too. All the entries are the same. And yep, all the entries are the same. Simple. Wait for closures above the ranges. Let's see. It's kind of flip here. We have this 15-minute count close bearish here. Yeah, guys. If you guys don't want runners today, then close full here. If you don't want runner, if you do not want runners, you just want to secure here. If you secure here, you secure your 20 pips here. But I'm just gonna leave a runner on this position, risk free. All you need to kind of do now is just flip bullish and re-break the highs. Because if you re-break the highs, what's gonna happen on a higher time frame, which is a 30-minute and 1 hour time frame, is we're gonna flip bullish again. That's all that is. Start play going up. Could be another entry. Could we get it right here? Ooh. Flipped my $100 to $100 this week and managed to blow it. Man. Yeah, what's your question, Andre? You just ask. Yeah.
Yeah, you were in the middle of talking. I'm not gonna interrupt you.
Now you can interrupt me. It's your stream, bro. It's your stream.
Flow.
It's your stream.
Go to the daily for me if it's my stream.
Yeah, bro, I got you, bro. Wait, what do you want, sir?
I appreciate that. And then just scroll. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so, and then yeah, just like that for a second. If we were looking at this right here, and I noticed like probably I think it was like 2 or 3 days ago, we had that closure above, and I just remember saying like, I'm like anticipating, since we had a closure above here, that the next potential day has opportunity to like come up, right? We have like clean traffic, looking something like this. And I just remember you being like, nah, man, we're in such a bullish momentum coming down that I would be like skeptical of the buys coming up, and then it could potentially be a fake out coming back in the range.
Which it was.
And which it 100% was, right? This didn't happen. It actually just went like this and came straight back down, right?
Yeah, but
so,
yeah, go on.
Explain to me the difference between this candle that we use as our breakout and that candle there, because to me they look exactly the same, right? Maybe it's like the second or third time we've tested that level, but I just remember the closure above, me anticipating buys, you saying no, watch out for the fake out, and then it happened today, and I was thinking the same thing, like why today is it different than the previous?
Yeah, I got a good answer for you. Two things. One, there was a resistance here. I think that first resistance is right here, right? If I'm not wrong, right here.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. At that time, the weekly was bearish. All right. But now we got a closure above this range. That's one. Because now we're just re-breaking that. We're re-breaking that resistance. For one, and for two, the weekly kind of closed bullish last week, and with the day creating a lower wick yesterday or throughout the week, we flipped today. Therefore, it's a higher chance to continue up this week compared to last week. Because last week was a bearish candle, remember? It was this doji candle, or this bearish candle here, this big ass liquidity wick candle. So this week was actually a bullish candle closure before the week ended, and then this week obviously created a lower wick, didn't break the lows, flipped bullish, and that was anticipation for the buys above.
So like the only way to really understand that is it seems like is to like understand the weekly creating a bottom wick and then breaking above a level for the second time, and the weekly flipping bullish and re-breaking previous weekly highs.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. This is a weekly.
So crazy how much my trading has changed. Like before I was just like looking at like the hourly, right? I would never look at a weekly to make sense of all that, but now makes sense.
Yeah, it's just a weekly there in that case. How often you're live? Every day at 6:30 a.m. Eastern until around 9:10 a.m. Eastern. Yo, my bad. Can't pronounce your Rene. I didn't mean to just blow by that question, but I was reading something else. Yeah, I mean we talk about it all the time. Know the difference between good profits and bad profits. Know the difference between both. Right, because if you don't know the difference between the two, you might be a new trader, because the good profits are profits with good habits. Bad profits are profits with bad habits, like over leveraging, over trading, right? And growing an account from $100 to $800 in a week, 700-800% account growth within a week is pretty unrealistic long term, right? Therefore, it becomes a bad habit because you're probably over leveraging that account, right? To get there. Therefore, it's not worth it. Although it might look good for a week, like I have one given point, it's gonna hit you really hard that you over leverage account, and then that trade's gonna wipe out all your profits for a week, or all your confidence at least too. So it fucks you up mentally, and it fucks you up, and fucks your account up as well, right? So it's not. If anything, it's gonna set you back more than it will grow you as a trader. So it's not even worth it. Like there's no rush in trading, man. You don't need to grow an account from 100 to 800 in a week. Grow the account from 100 to 110 within the first week. Next week 120. Like I said, like some of that's sustainable. But those 800% account growths, or the 400, I talk about it all the time. I think we talked about this with Jimmy last week, right? We talked about this on the stream. It's no difference between the two. It's the only way to survive long term in the game. I just don't I know it's hard. You might be saying, well, it's different for you because 30% for you is different. Obviously, it's more money, but again, you'll get there by doing the same thing every day. and that's to keep someone up that's consistent and sustainable. You got there, man. Yeah, Dodge off to 31 cents. I saw last night. I was watching a Twitch stream and they were talking about Dodge, and I was like, oh my god, these dudes are playing Warzone. I typed in the chat. Sorry, play. But I think EKZ had a good point here. Did you withdraw the $100 after you flipped it? Back in my days when I used to try to flip my account like that, I would never just withdraw. I'd just keep flipping it until I reached a magical number in my head that was so unrealistic. I never tapped it, and I just kept fucking myself up. Is Andres here a rapper? No worries, Rennie. No worries.
Okay.
If you guys are enjoying the stream today, make sure you guys go ahead and leave a like on the stream, man. Turn me up. Yo, Andres, say turn me up.
Turn me up. Turn me up.
Yeah, you took too long. Say it in 3, 2, 1.
Ciao, Bella.
I was trying to remix you. Hey, someone who has a high voice in the chat, or a enthusiastic voice in the Zoom call.
Turn me up.
Yeah, there it is. All right, there it is. Hold on, say it again. Say it again. Hold on, say it again. And when I count down to 1, say it. 3, 2, 1.
Turn me up. Turn me up.
I can't.
Turn me up.
There's that delay. If I can edit this shit, hold on. I want to do something.
I gotta capture the T better, man.
Wrong one. How do I do this? Recording, sampler. Yeah, if I can put a voice effect on you guys, I can't do that. This is sign language too? Yes, sir. What is ciao bella, bro? Ciao bella means goodbye in Italian. Like, see you later. I'm actually gonna make a quick Instagram story real quick. Give me a second, guys.
Shift egg. Did you catch these gold buys, bro?
Yeah, I caught it. I think on the last 30-minute candle. That's when I got in.
Nice. You got a runner still, or did you close full?
I got a runner. I secured at like
Nice.
15, and I just got this runner. Try not to look at it.
Yeah,
let it run.
Yeah. Fortunately, you probably have emotions, unlike that, right? This man just robots it, doesn't even look at his trades.
Man, he'll go make some oatmeal right now. He's not tripping at all.
How was your week, bro?
Kind of weird week. I'm good today though. I needed today for sure.
Made up for it?
Yeah, I'm pretty much done already. Done for the day. You know, just kind of watching the show now.
Profitable?
Pretty break even for the week. I'll put it that way. Break even.
Yeah.
Kind of negative.
Kind of negative. That's all right.
Yeah.
I had 12 weeks in a row of just consistent, like 12% gains, 12 weeks in a row, like 12 to 15, 16%. This is the first week that's been pretty much break even. I don't know. I think I'm up like $400 or $300, something.
That's good.
Relatively small.
That's fire.
I mean,
12% every week.
12%, yeah, 12%.
Yeah, that's fire.
I'll take
Yeah. Well, comparatively, like now this week, I'm basically, I think I'm up like $300, which is like, 1.5 trades, one trade.
That's gonna happen though.
Yeah, definitely. Especially after 12 weeks of just back to back to back to back wins. It's been nice. This week has definitely been a little bit tougher for me though. I took a 25 pip loss on gold 2 days ago, and then a 12 pip loss on gold right after. 2 back-to-back losses.
Why is Don not talking?
25 pip loss, was that did you have your stops at 25 pips or?
Yeah, yep, yeah. That's a tough thing, right? You pop a 2 lot, you have a 25 pip, stop loss. You just almost lost $500 in 30 minutes, and right. And if you close full at 10 like I do, and I make $200 every trade, well, that was just almost 3 trades with commissions and swaps and whatnot. So it's like that one trade was 3 winning trades.
So you don't do 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk to reward, or you do 1 to 1?
I normally have a 1 to 1, but let's say I have a 20 pip stop on gold, I'll look for like a 20 pip range. If I have like 20 pip stop on gold, I won't take a trade if the range is only like 11 pips. But if my range is 20 pips, I still close full around 10.
What's happening in the chat? Don, are you okay, buddy? You look a bit off. A bit off. What? Today? A bit off. Copycat. What's happening? Sorry, somebody on the channel. Oh, this. Hey, people come to the streams. They see 4 pips. Clean. Need a boot the trails. Yeah. Why you not talking? He looks shocked. I was letting my people talk on the Zoom call. What do you mean? They were talking. I didn't want to interrupt them. What? Chat. Come on. We vibing to Young Thug today. We got our 4 pips runner risk free. Just vibe up. Like we're listening to Young Thug's new album while we're trading. We caught the 4 pips today, risk free trade, managed to the T, and that was it. Don, I closed full when you said when should I get back in. I'll say wait for support to be formed, man. Wherever that is, support can either be formed right here or it can be formed down here, right? The most logical support you have is down here or here. So that's why I'm saying those 2 levels. So once you get that bullish channel closure at support, I'll say look for bicycle cool up to retest the highs again, anticipating price to drive up like this, right? Or 2, since this range is too small here, wait for a breakout, a closure above the range like this, and then those are the buys you want to take to anticipate price to drive up towards the TP level. Because now that we reach a resistance level, you need a closure above this resistance to pop back into this new range to go up to fill that area. Looking left, that's clean traffic, right? So that's probably what you'll want. Would you want to start play? No, probably not. Just because I don't know. Let's see. Actually, I don't know. Depends. They remain close bearish here though, so like the chances of us surviving the runner here is obviously a lot lower. I'll say we have a 10% chance of surviving this runner, but since it's a risk-free trade, what happens, right? You need a starter play for this to work out here. It's what you want probably. And I got 2 runners right now, risk-free, so I'm not sure if I'm going to enter another starter play here. If anything, I might enter more buys above that 1781 mark above there. Well, 2 using the draw accounts on the screen. Zoom annotations, bro. Zoom annotations. Guys, you gotta wait for the song for 4 years. The song, there's a snippet of the song in 2017. And ever since then, I've been waiting for this one song, and it came out 4 years later with Young Thug and Young Kaio. How many inches is your screen? I got 2 24-inch screens, bro. 2 24 inches, and I used to have a 27-inch, but yeah, 24 inches. One is 240 hertz, and the other one's at 165. So no, sorry, not 240. I don't got 240 yet. Wait, do I? Yeah, no, sorry. One's 160, there's 60. My bad. Yeah, I don't got 240 hertz. I thought I did for a second.
Don, I was actually looking at larger screens monitors this week. What brand you using?
Asus.
Yeah. Oh, the AGQ or something like that.
I'll find it for you here, bro.
Yeah, because I was looking at the best inexpensive monitors under 500 or something like that, and that was one of them. Yeah, that's it right there.
Yeah, this is the one I got. I mean, I probably will get 240 hertz, but then again, not really.
You like it?
Yeah, I mean, if you don't game in it though, you don't really need 160. You just get like a 60 hertz, which is a lot cheaper. If you're just surfing the web and shit, right?
I'm not a gamer.
Yeah. So you don't need to get like anything too crazy. You can get this one, but just like a lower hertz.
The ones I was looking at were like 28 inches.
You can get 28 inch, yeah. I mean, you don't play games, right? So I got 24 because for gaming, like anything higher than 24 is a bit like too much to look at. Yeah, I move your whole head to look at the whole screen.
To be profitable.
Yeah, and you need 6 monitors minimum. Like this needs to be your setup if to become a trader.
6 monitors.
And then you need a TV up here that shows everything else. And you need within the TV, you need 3 clocks on the TV showing the London, New York, and Asian session, the Tokyo session, and then this is you down here sitting and looking at GJ waiting for a 15-minute closure start replay. You down fool.
On the top left screen you have gold. The top right you have GJ. In the middle you have FOREX Factory.
No, not even, man. It's got a bunch of indicators on the screen. For EMA crossover.
Bloomberg terminal.
Yeah, Bloomberg terminal is expensive though. I think it's like I heard I think it's like 20K. I think. I forgot how much it was.
Yeah, but he's a billionaire for a reason.
I have high feeling the stream might get taken down today.
Nah.
It just depends on what I play though. I think it doesn't go by album, it goes from song to song. Certain songs are not allowed to be played. And I don't know which ones aren't. I might get lucky. It's weird. It's weird. It's very weird. Like trophies for Drake allows me to play, but for example, like if I play a song like the one of Soulja Boy, I forgot what it's called, but the throwback one, that song gets copyrighted and it gets taken down too.
Bro, when do you listen to Soulja Boy?
What? You don't know what song I'm talking about? You want a Drake?
Like oh, okay.
Yeah, the old one.
We made it.
Yeah, we made it. That's not doesn't allow me to play it for some reason.
Okay. I don't know why I just picture you listen to Superman by Soulja Boy.
Hey, what's that song by Soulja Boy on TikTok? Damn. He doesn't know what it is. Should we get clap? That's not. Should we get clap? Bro, I guess it's one line the whole song, and he that's all he needed for the song blow up.
32-inch curved Samsung. No, thank you.
When you enter on Celery play, break of the count on bodies or break of the wicks, or you're looking for count close. Celery play is impulse break of the previous kind of high. So this is the Celery play right here. Your buy stops to be right here. Your stop loss would be right here. Current count low, which is this count low, and TP be up here. It's a buy stop. Start play, because there's different types of impulse entries, right? So this is one specific type. In this case, it usually works best with buy stops because you might miss the entry if you enter manually. Hey Daniel, you here? Daniel, I know you like that drawing.
Yeah, I'm here. What's up?
I know you like that drawing from last night.
No, yeah, I did. Like literally, I saw like exactly what you said on your little Asian session analysis. Got in, You know, like when I actually sent the message when I actually closed half, and then
Yeah.
like, you know, I fell asleep, put my entry, got stopped out, but you know, got my pips back today, so you know, I appreciate that.
Yeah. A 1 hour closure, entries, anticipating price drive up, retest the highs. It's the same thing I draw all the time though, right? You're starting to notice it a lot more now. Should I trade SPX 500 daily or keep? Oh, by the way, I wanted to post yesterday. I'll post later on today or something though. Cause yesterday I'm like, oh, during the stream and after someone asked me about US30, I gave the breakdown. I'm like, oh yeah, it should make all-time highs today as it's retesting that high. And then later on in the day, got the message saying, US30, you're breaking all-time highs. Yeah, you can get the 1032 curved. I just don't like the curve monitors for me personally, because if I was just trading, maybe, but since I game too, like curve monitors for gaming is kind of chalked. This is you while gaming. Oh, he's on me, bro. He's on me. Okay, hold on. Your whole head rotates like an owl. When's the course updating? Check it. Already updated. Like the later parts. The new parts were added. I think version V2 was added this week, earlier this week, Tuesday I think, or Monday. I hate US30 news. Speaking about news, do you got news today? No, we don't. Okay, good. That was my fault again. I'm not looking. I'm just so caught with price action. But yeah, there's no news today, so it should be fine. But guys, if gold does, talking about news here, if gold does break above this range this week and we close above this range, above 1790 this week, then next week we may pop up towards the next level of resistance, which is up here at 1820. And you guys are probably gonna see some news, random news coming in throughout the week. I'll pop gold towards that level. No, Tyler, don't get it twisted. I know GG has been rangy this week, but it doesn't mean you switch your whole routine or your whole plan. I'm still trading GJ, just not this week, because I see it's rangy. But once GJ picks back up, aka once GJ breaks out that range on a day time frame, stick to it, man. Trust me. You don't want to keep switching pairs, right? Obviously, because obviously at some given point, gold's gonna do the same. Gold's not gonna move, and you're gonna be like, "Fuck, should I switch over to GJ again?" Stick to your pair or two pairs, whatever it is you're looking at, or trade both. I mean, I trade both, right? But you know, backtest gold a bit more. Show up every day for gold every morning for like at least a month, and then look at it every single day. Look for your opportunities and setups, and then and after a month or so of backtesting it, you can trade it again. Yeah, I mean, you can do that. What's up?
I feel like I just want to tell Tyler that helped me a ton. Like I was so fixated on GJ, and then it would have a slow week, and I actually feel like it would like not like ruin my confidence, but like I felt like I had to take a trade, right? I'm spending 3 hours a day on the charts, and 2 or 3 days would go by and I wouldn't take a trade because I was waiting for the right setup. And it was like, it was just tough. When you have maybe 2 options, I think it makes it like more entertaining to yourself that like if GJ is chalked, you can still do it.
Chalked. I love it. I love it. These COD terms are growing on me, and now I'm just saying it doesn't even play COD. I love it. Chalked, and what else do I say? You say something else, but damn, chalked. For those who don't know what chalk means, chalk just means like it's over with. It's done. Just move on. Just move on. You know, or down bad. Down bad is another word I use a lot. Like that's down bad. I got that from watching Diaz Biffles on Warzone on YouTube. Shout out to him on Twitch. And yeah, now I say that term a lot too. Peace and love comes from Nick Merckx. Like You guys see my references, right?
You know, Richie, who's that? I mean, Nico Browser. He said bombs coming for those who are late.
Have you learned? Sorry, I'm just replying to someone who messaged me on Telegram. Buy coming for those who come late, hopefully. Yeah, hopefully. But let's see if we break this. We need a closure above for more buys. Low Duke. Do you take partial profits before move stops to break even? No. I usually move stops to break even before I take profits. So around 7, 8, 9 pips, around that range, usually on average of when I move stops to break even. From there, I will then, move stops to break even and then just close half around 10 pips and leave a runner. If you flip bearish here, then high chance we're going to come down to retest the support here. AKA fill our range or hit our break even trade. This can create a top wick here or create a lower wick flipped up, and if it fails to break this high or close above here, it's probably going to reject, therefore flip bearish and end up doing something like this, which will then make this trade a break-even trade, or runners at break-even at least. Yeah, if it breaks first lows, yep. But this 15 has no top wick here, so high chance it could flip here. Let's see. Interesting. 1 hour still open here. We have 12 minutes for that 1 hour candle to close. And if you don't move before 8, then maybe 8 AM NY open. We should get a push up towards the TP. I appreciate the advice, guys. Yeah, I'm not planning on changing my plan. Just want to start looking at Aston Van Gogh for my Arsenal. Hey, Tyler, you're in a Zoom call, man. You should just get a mic and talk to us. Because you say you got a mic, right? You know, it doesn't have to be the craziest mic, Tyler. You know, just a mic so we can talk to you on Zoom. It's gonna be much easier, man. Can you explain where you got that tool on Zoom, please? That tool on Zoom is annotations. Annotate. Click on annotate and it'll pop up a mouse, select, text, draw, stamp, spotlight, eraser. And from drawings, you can go to rectangle and draw out your candles. And you can be a candle expert like me.
Love how everyone's like fascinated by drawing candles.
I was never the first to draw candles, but I think I have the cleanest candle drawings. You know.
Don said he had the cleanest candles drawn.
Tyler, am I having for next week? Hey, this guy's about to go buy a $1,000 mic. And now I'm back. Oh, okay. Why don't you move stocks at 30-minute lows? Very high chance of it driving down for your break. Yes, but it's a runner position, and I closed 65% of my positions. And since it's a runner positions, we could break the lows, but I'm giving it a slight chance that even if you do break the lows, you might still flip because it's a runner position. I don't care. But if this trade was still open here and I was in profit, I would manage risk by closing my positions or closing half if we break this low for buys. But since a runner, my word of thumb is it's either TP or entry for runners. You know,
She's a runner, she's a track star.
GJ is a runner, she's a track star. GJ, nah, man. GJ is definitely not running today. GJ is doing a little warm-up jog. Maybe for next week, maybe. Like, I didn't even mark up GJ today. It's just very nasty. Like it's I don't know, it's not even worth the markup. I'm not looking for much on GG anyways, right? Oh, 15-minute start play here, potentially. I'll say at this point, wait for the 1 hour closer. Don't answer the 15-30-minute start play, or you could actually, but it's up to you. I'll wait for the 1 hour, just because the 1 hour can give us a start play as well, or two, if we have closure above the range on the 1 hour, would be sweet. It's up to you, honestly. Superstar. Sorry, this is the first time listening to the album, so it came on last night. This feature? It is. So far as the album's a W so far, I really like it.
Next weekend we'll be like, yo, you remember Don used to run those streams on YouTube?
What's up?
I said next week everybody's gonna be like, remember when Don used to run those streams on YouTube?
What streams?
This one.
I don't get it, I'm confused. Tell me about the music?
Yeah, YouTube gonna be like,
oh.
give you a break, sit you in the corner.
Hey, don't say that.
I hope not.
Here we go.
Yeah, it just went up, but now I've still gotta wait to that 9 minutes. So Don, let me ask you, how do you work? How would it play out if we wait till the 8 o'clock open, but this 15-minute candle stays above the range right there?
So
how would you look for entries?
Closure above. Probably enter off a 30-minute closure above using a 30-minute stop loss. So entry be the opening of the next candle probably. And TP would be up there, whatever, and then stop loss would be below the previous candle low. That's what you expect price to do. Same entry as this, closure above range. If you close above, that's the thing though, right? I said you guys careful with start play, just because the 1 hour's gonna close in 6 minutes here. So in this case, I'll wait for the 1 hour close first to see how it looks. I prefer to get a bearish candle than a doji candle though, because you can get the 1 hour start play. If you get a doji, it's gonna be kinda, it won't be a start play, it'll be more of an impulse, just a regular impulsive trade if you enter to break the highs. A roach. One hour did flip here after creating a low. Didn't break the previous 1 hour lows here. Look at that 15. What happened? Resistance form, support form. This looks familiar, doesn't it, guys? The same drawing I draw every single day of my life. So closure at support to retest the highs to continue up. Same thing every single time. Same thing. Uh-oh. Dude, Chabella. Yeah. Can we get a Chabella, Andre?
Can we get a Chabella? Oh, shit.
Say it. Yeah,
oh,
say
yeah.
it.
Nice. Chabella. That's gone. Chabella. Yo, anyone in chat knows a good mic that's small, leave it below. I got a pair of Astro 850s, but I got a MacBook. I don't even think I can connect them. I need something that's Mac friendly. I sound like a scrub.
Yo, get the Blue Yeti. I told you. For like a good standard mic, Blue Yeti. It's like good for it's very good for its price actually.
I'm not even worried about something like price wise. I just want something small.
Oh, this one right here.
Okay, that's small.
You can get a stand for it. It makes it easier. Like it won't be in your desk. It won't take up space, you know.
Yeah, no, I'm definitely gonna do it like that. But I can connect it to my MacBook.
Yeah, for sure. USB. I mean, you can't chalk with the whole wired thing situation, but that's on you with the MacBook. Other than that, you should get an extra converter, and you should. We talk about this. You should be fine. But you gotta get those wires, bro. So rip. That's not little. Well, then he can get he can put his Astros on, his headset that's on, right? Andre doesn't want to wear a headset though. Yeah, Andre, man. I think for quality wise, man, this would be the best smallest mic you can get, probably, man. I might be wrong though, but this is pretty standard. Like, very good.
Every time I hear my voice on stream, I cringe. I'm like, oh my god, it sounds nothing like me. Sounds like I'm in a toaster.
Well, I don't know what that sounds like because I never heard a real you know.
This man with the
this
with
mic,
the flex.
you know?
I don't know what that sounds like. I got a Michael Jackson mic.
I got a Michael Jackson mic.
Andre, that no one sounds like the way they hear themselves. Everybody voice is different from what they hear themselves.
Yeah, that's not real.
Yeah. Like when Don records me though, like when he just recorded me saying "Ciao Bella," like it just sounds like poor quality. I feel like I talk a decent amount, so I'm about to buy a mic this weekend.
Wait.
So you have to do this
On Zoom?
What's up?
You heard my voice change there on Zoom?
Yeah.
Oh, but before, did you hear it?
Before what? I don't know what you're trying to say.
Like earlier on, when I did the sound effects, did you hear it on Zoom or not?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's weird because my message just changed, so I'm just kind of confused with everything. So be good. We have about 2 minutes left for a closure here. Can we close above? Oof.
Imagine this in my real voice. That'd be crazy.
Yeah, everyone's saying get the road. Oh, get the road. You can get the road if you want, or a road stand. That's what I got. Is usually pushing up here? Nah, that's pretty ugly, man. How big is this 4-hour candle here? 20 pips? 37 pips, not bad. Yeah. Like I was gonna mark up GG today, but the thing is, like, even if you do break above certain ranges, like you have like resistance after resistance after resistance. Like I don't want to have a chart that looks like this. Or for some people this might be normal, but it's just too much on it, too much at once. Look, you're looking at too much at once, and it's just not clean. If you have these many levels, I'll say above here will be clean. Above 150, 154, those are clean buys. You probably want MGJ.
Yo, what up, guys?
Yo, what up, bro? Who's talking?
It's Tyler.
Oh, Tyler, you got a mic? What'd you do?
I realized I could just use my AirPods.
Man, what? What up, man? What up, my Canadian brother?
Yes, sir.
Are you in this gold trade? Siri activated.
No, I'm not. Like I said, I haven't traded gold before, so just been kind of looking at it for the past few months and, you know, trying to figure out when I want to start actually trading it.
Yeah.
I can definitely relate.
Gold's pretty similar. The only thing that's different about gold and GJ is gold has more bigger ranges, more volume, obviously, with that being said. And I think price action wise is pretty similar. Like GJ has these days too where it just moves algo days, obviously, right? So yeah, there shouldn't be too much of a difference though.
Yeah, I think the biggest thing with gold, I find that I can't figure out when it's best to enter on like the 30, the 15, or the 5 minute. So it's kind of my biggest thing that's holding me back right now.
I mean, same way you do on GJ, right? Just being able to break it down from higher time frame to small time frame, and then waiting for those closures above the ranges. Like for example, right here on 15-minute time frame on gold, this would be a decent entry here. But it's pretty similar. to GG at least. Does one ever close bullish above? It should, right? If I'm not wrong. This guy's no top wick, but if it's bullish here, there could be Chabella towards the TP maybe. You scared, Tyler? I don't think he's scared. I think he's just trying things out, trying new things out. Not necessarily scared though. NY open, baby. Yes, sir. NY open. Yeah, there you go. He wants to feel comfortable. Yep. Yeah, you can't send links, by the way, guys. If you have to send links for Andre, only mods can send links, I think. So just send like what the device is that you guys are referring to. This is not controller FX. This is a copy FX. Nice.
Game over.
Like I said, you guys watch whatever you guys want to watch, right? It's whatever provides you your value that you wanted and needed, right? You come to my streams. If it provides you value, you stay. If not, you leave. At the end of the day, right? I don't really care about anyone else. Like our traders, I just kind of do things for myself. And today we caught 4 pips for myself and for the chat, right? Because the chat is part of me, right? Chat, peace and love. But the more is actually working. Nice. Don't read it.
Yo, bro, what do you think about this gold trade?
I think this is in other words
turn me up.
I got in because I had closed my runner after the first 15 minutes after we entered. After it closed bearish, I had closed the runner. So now I'm in this, about to hit 10 pips, about to go break even.
Hey, my shit's lit.
Hey, this is like a Chabella. Did you answer or no? Did you answer no entry or no?
I did.
Nice.
I'm in.
Uh-oh.
All right, so
Nice. Okay.
Nice. Can we get TV smacked here? I'm playing my song for this one. Gold, I am proud of you. Gold, I am proud of you. XAU, I'm proud of you. USD, you too. You have to start with me. Yeah, you have to 30-minute start play there. Came up. 15-minute closure above a range. I think if you're in this trade though, on the opening of the candle, mover stops to break even. That was like your 13 pips, 12 pips. You would have closed half here, and then leave a runner going out towards TP if you got in that position on the opening of this candle. That's a way. That's a good way to manage it, man. I think I missed a lot of chats today because I have it to top chat instead of live chat. So sorry if I missed any messages, guys. Oh my god, did anyone else hear that?
Don, you said you started a runner from last night, right?
Yeah.
The previous range?
Yeah, I got a runner from last night. I got it from my exact entry from last night. Is from 1763.28.
Your voice changes on.
No, I know what's on. I'm trying to sound like you, bro.
Yeah, bro. Binance is a platform like Coinbase. Yeah, Samurai. Binance is like a platform exactly like Coinbase, but it has more current. It has more coins than that, I think.
Yeah, because Locke was saying Dogecoin was running, but I don't have it on my
FOMO. That's what's happening.
No,
Is that what's happening right now?
I was looking at it yesterday, but I don't have it on my broker, so I was just wondering.
I have a question about that Dogecoin. If anybody would know this, like, is it like okay, so it was made to be a meme, correct? Like a joke.
Yeah.
Now, if it's just a joke, is it a viable currency to hold? Like, you know what I'm saying? Or
I think it's like you can always make coins. It's like NFTs. There's gonna be a bunch of coins coming out in the future as well. People trying to pump coins. I mean, this coin just decided to take off with the help of Elon, and I don't know. I'm definitely, I don't want to take that route though. I don't know. It could be a coin in the future, right? I don't know. Like, I'm not too much of a crypto expert. It's more if you believe in the product, right? But do you really want to believe in a Dogecoin? I'm not saying it's not gonna go up. I'm saying it could still go up here, but you know, there's like, it's, I don't know, man.
Oh, yeah, I feel you.
It could be, but who knows? It's only been like a year or less, so.
I think with Dogecoin, the problem with it is that there's so much being released every single day. There's not like a finite amount, so it can't really hold value. But you know, people are trying to dump their money into it so that it can be valuable.
Yeah. Do you have any crypto?
I have just some Bitcoin, nothing crazy.
Nice.
Yeah, I just have some Ripple.
I like Bitcoin. Just the thing with Bitcoin is that it's too slow. Like not obviously price. I'm talking about like the way the transactions, the way Bitcoin works. It's like 30 minutes to an hour sometimes. And you have like XRP that takes like is XRP the quickest? If I'm not wrong, isn't XRP the quickest coin? The fastest coin for transactions? It's like a minute. Oh, but here comes a lot of crypto experts. My apologies, guys.
Sorry for cutting off. I just had a question about gold right now. So
yes,
like so obviously we just got that 30-minute Celery play. Like, would it be like, obviously the smart thing to do kind of would put your stops to the bottom of the current 30, because if it breaks below that, then it's, you know, high anticipation is going to keep going down into the range to fill it, or not.
So you're saying if you got an entry in the open of the candle?
No, like I have the entry, I have stops to break even right now, like you do. But
yeah.
To secure even more, I put my stop loss to the current. Right now, you're looking at the hour of the current.
Right there.
Yeah, right there, exactly.
Yep. You can put it right there if you want.
If it were to flip back, that would mean it would like fill the rest of the range going down, right?
Yes. But my perspective on it is more of, I don't really like trail my stops for runners. I just kind of let it run open, because obviously before this were to happen, like in this case, like when this happened here, when price closed bearish here, I did expect price to continue down. But since the higher time frame is bullish, I'm taking a chance that we may, it's like a miracle type of thing where we may flip bullish, but while being a risk-free trade. But I only think of it like that in terms of runner positions. But whenever it's like an actual position I'm in and I'm not in profit yet and I'm still managing risk, I'll close my positions right there. So see how there's like a little difference between the two?
Yeah, makes sense. Thank you.
Yeah. But your TP is about to get smacked here, guys. Hey, Tej.
What's good,
Turn
bro?
me up.
Hey.
Yeah, we gotta get a better one, bro.
We can do it. I just switched mics.
All right.
I got you.
Right when I say one, say it right away. No hesitation. 3, 2, 1.
Turn me up.
1. No,
Turn me up.
Yeah, you heard my voice there in the beginning. Yeah, I do it again.
Oh,
Oh
my god.
Like right when I say 1, I think there's a delay, so I'll just keep recording it.
Bro.
3, 2, 1.
Nah, I chalked it. Run it back. Hold on. I got to have the air.
No pressure, bro. No pressure. You know, it's just me and you.
Run it back, Turbo. Run it back, Turbo.
In the COD live streams, you know? Run it back, Turbo. 3, 2, 1.
Turn me up.
There you go.
Turn me up.
There it is.
3, 2, 1 in silence.
YouTube's like, what's going on in this chat, bro? They're not used to this.
I was trolling.
Oh, there you go.
Nah, my G runner just hit, so I'll just.
Guys, this is a 70 pip runner. Or 55. Yeah. You're in GU? GU.
Yeah, check your phone, bro.
I didn't check. My bad, man.
No, you're good. On the 4-hour.
I got you, bro. 4-hour starter play. Oh, nice. Yeah, I saw that on GJ. Yeah, same thing happened on GU here. 4-hour starter play going up. Hey, that's clean, man. UTB smack. How many pips is that? That's around 20 pips?
Like 40.
My bad. I'm tripping. Yeah, 40.
Yeah. Well, no, what I showed you was 20. Yeah.
Yeah,
but,
yeah. There you go. I wasn't tripping.
You zoom the chart out. No. Yeah, zoom the chart out. That's just like TP1 I showed you. So yeah.
Alright guys, if you guys are in this trade here, we are approaching our TP here. Please fasten your seatbelts and get ready for liftoff. We are approaching our TP, I repeat, approaching our TP here. Man, I'm tired from this stream.
Right.
Too much energy.
Working.
Hey, I think I'm gonna close the runner off here, guys.
I think I'm gonna do the same actually.
Yeah, I'm gonna close here. Yeah, I'm gonna close the runner here, full here. Nice.
Damn.
I did too.
Nice.
Everybody jumping ship.
Oh,
No,
that
I'm
runner is
looking at
close.
the
One more runner to
price
go.
on 1 minute, and it looked like it's slowing down.
What?
What?
Samurai on the 1 minute? What's going
Yeah.
on here?
I've been testing it for a while.
Turn me up.
I'm serious.
I don't think it's slowing down. I just think I just started closer because it's right next to TP. We're like 5-10 pips away, so I'm like, it's close full here on me. And there it is. You're working on tap TP without regret closing? No, I do not. I think I got one more runner going here still. What is this? What did I press on? Oh, there we go. Yeah, so I got a run from last night still going here, but that runner has been closed off here for 55 pips.
Nice.
TP close full here at nice. Trades taken today? Trades taken, not called today. 55 pips. I didn't think of one trade yesterday, guys. I waited all day yesterday for today. Wait for a closure, like I said. And then that's all she wrote. We did good today, guys. Can I get a one in the chat if you guys got in this trade? Or W in the chat if you guys got in this trade? W in the chats. Nice, Andre. 40 and 82 pips. Are you on the stream? No, man, it's still early. It's like 8:13. I'm getting off around 9:30, around that range. Let's get it. W's in the chat.
No, we can sit back and relax now.
Now we got to turn down. It's tough.
Gold is just pushing. Ain't stopping for nobody. Love it.
Algo day. When I say Algo day, guys, it's another day. So now we're breaking above this range. We have more range to go today. Like, this wasn't my target for a day. This is my target for that trade. But for the day, I am anticipating price to tap minimum today 1790. And if that breaks today, then you're looking at 1813. But that might be a little push because we need a closure for that, I think. But see, it might just be
room for another entry.
Yeah, above 1782 here until 1790. Wait for a 15-minute closure here above the range, and then that'll be your entry. How big are stops here though? That's a massive stop, right? 4 pips for like 87 pips. Ooh, let's see. How's their man look here? Oh yeah, closure above that range. That's clean traffic driving up. Yeah, we should be gone here towards 1790 mark here. Major sad? Why are you major sad, man? Don't be major sad. Do you take a sell? Oh, you take a buy. Why are you sad? Just hit TP. Or hit stop loss. I'm not sure what happened here. Oh, hit stops. Entries right there. That's when managing risk comes to play, man. These counts are closing bearish here. That's where you want to manage risk at. There's still resistance here. You want a closure above here. You got that closure above, or even sorry, above here. That's the entry that you wanted here. That's your entry. Right to drop up. Right. This is still in a range here. That was from 2 days ago though. I'm skipping the song. It sounds like L. Sorry. Hi Dora. I'm sorry. That sounds no. Here's your 15 closure above. Nice. Catching Pips FX. Catching Pips today has turned to caught Pips FX. How could he enter GJ if trade today? Nowhere. I don't know. Maybe here. We got a closure above this range here. Anticipating price to drive up, like the opening this candle. Like I wasn't looking for anything, right? So I'm not looking for entries today. But this would have been maybe entry. Stop low, candle low, and TP up here. But it's very choppy. Unless I'm staying out. But today's focus is only gold. Only gold. Nature Boy? Hey, why you guys keep bringing up Nature Boy? Lock, I honestly don't know, man. I honestly can't give you an answer for that. But it's 1787 says wait for his kind of flip bullish at the Korean low. I'll say as long as his count respects the lows, it should be fine with the NY volume here. This is the same entry that we had up here pretty much. Closer above this range here to go up, right? So as long as his count respects this low, it should be fine to continue up. 1800 next. Yeah, 1800. 1790 next and 1800. Yeah, we're right there. Yo, Nature Boy. Man's name was Nature Lover Entertainment, and I have the Yo Nature Boy. Yeah. His name is Nature Boy. You're right.
Yeah, it was Nature Entertainment.
Yeah, it was Nature Entertainment. We got Nature Boy in the chat. Oh man.
Is he a normal guy to come through, or was it just that one day?
He was new. That was his first day.
He was just trolling through.
I think he came yesterday though. He's chill though. I like him.
Didn't Andre time him out a couple of times or something?
No, not someone else. Someone else sent the same chart in like 4 or 5 times, so he timed him out.
Oh yeah, Nature Lover. He was the one that, while everybody else was taking a sell, he was talking about buys, or vice versa.
All right, guys, better bounce to the gym. Good week. Appreciate it all. I'll see you guys next week.
Yeah, man. Take it easy.
Right,
have a great session. Have a great day.
Later, bro.
Peace and love. Peace and love.
Easy.
Peace and love.
You start play method for the first time today and won 2 trades on gold. You're a goat. Start play, yeah. Happened twice today. Happened a lot, especially in Algo days. They play out a lot more than they would on a regular day, a regular standard day. The only thing of the trade I just took here, hey Mike Ross, what happened to gold being too late? I'm playing. 15. I think it's a good entry. That's a good entry. Yep. Yeah, good entry. Looking left, that's clean traffic. Oh, this is GA. Oh, yeah, this is clean. This is pretty clean. You had a resistance here. You wait for a closure above the range. Stop loss is the first kind of low, and TP is up here for 78282. Yeah, that's clean, man. And if it doesn't play out, it's still gonna be clean because that's trade I always take, right? Where's the TP? It was like right here, right? 81. Yeah, I would have tapped it by a margin. I closed full in it at I think it was 55 pips, somewhere around here. Good morning, controller. What's going on? Can't pronounce your name, but what's going on, I? I close 3% now and even run it until 4 hours take profit. Ooh, let's see. Oh yeah, you're looking up here. Yeah, that's pretty yeah. Like 1801, 1790-ish. Yeah, it's pretty clean. It should continue pushing up for a day. Like gold's not done pushing up here. Right, so don't try to catch sells or reversals here, guys. Like again, follow the trend until it breaks at all times.
So you think gold is looking to give another entry?
Yeah. Like if it's not this one, it'll be later on, but maybe a 30-minute closure above here.
The money bus backed up and let some more passengers on.
Or you can look at it from that perspective as well.
Yeah.
I got guy runners here though. I think I'll put my runner What up, Jimbo? Jimmy Trades, what's going on, sir?
Your boy went off so bad yesterday.
What happened, man? I mean,
bro, I took a nap and got fucked. Like,
why?
I thought channel was gonna continue bearish, then that bitch just went digital dash.
Well, yesterday, right? I mean, when I was pushing up that hard, man, daily time frame was, I think, it was GJ, right, Jimmy, or gold? What was it? Gold? It was gold, right?
Gold.
Yeah, gold. Yeah, trend was yesterday definitely bullish. After you broke that start play, like after you broke that high, you can't see it pushing up still. I don't know. I saw him like, oof.
Jimmy, you taking naps in the middle of your trades? Is that what you said? Come on.
I was like, man, this gold ain't doing nothing. I was like, let me take a quick nap. Woke up, I'm like, oh, hello, full send.
Jimmy, show me the roads.
You didn't have stop loss?
Bro, I was just letting it run. And then I woke up, I'm like, close it. I was like, I was so much wrongs in one trade. I'm like, man.
You overtrade? You overtraded, right?
Huh?
You overtraded yesterday too?
Yep. Overtraded,
revenge it. I saw you revenge it too.
Is that Jimmy?
That's Jimmy, yeah, that's Jimmy.
I saw your post, bro.
This man, Jimmy, is an idiot.
He said, I'm the clown for the day.
This guy,
I'll take y'all on low road.
This guy Jimmy said, this guy, that was funny when we played that song. I was dying, bro. I was dying. That's good, bro. I mean,
yeah. Man, I wish my car has cruise control, man. Like, this car too new to not have that shit.
What damn car do you have that doesn't have cruise control?
I don't, bruh. It's a 2020 Camry, and like it does not have cruise control. I'm like, bruh, I got finesse.
What's those buttons on the bottom right pad on your steering wheel? What's that?
Oh, it's a lane control.
Yo, my car has that's adaptive cruise control right there.
No, yeah, but the lane
You
control.
wildin'. Yeah,
Jimmy.
you got cruise.
Jimmy, the
Yeah,
ops are watching your stream.
That's the cruise.
Yeah, I got that on my car.
Sheesh.
You got like a main button right there that you like. Man, your salesperson didn't show you.
Jimmy, look at
This man Jimmy doesn't know how to put a stop loss in or put his cruise on.
Bro, it's just a lane control shit, man.
I love the lane control.
Yeah, I got a 18 Accord. It has the same like adaptive cruise control. You know, the lane keeping assist, all that stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm assuming the Camry's got it. It looks like it does.
Like, you know how it usually just has a button and it does it. I'm like, all right, I got fucked.
It has it. You just don't know where it is.
All right. I'll read the manual or something. This way, I'll just rock with the. Oh, hold on. Uh-oh.
Jimmy, don't crash, bro.
Yeah, bro. Stay safe, bro. You know,
I'm good.
the cops are watching your stream right now, man, and they're about to find your car and they're hey, why you on the phone? Don, it's better to take a starter play by at the start of the day candle or just take entries like we do normally. I don't. If you do see a day starter play, me personally, I don't enter it. What I do is I anticipate person push up that day with the starter play. Therefore, I do wait for a small time to break above certain ranges. Because there's always gonna be a range on a small time frame. Let's say you have a day starter play, but you have a range on a small time frame like this. I'll wait for a closure above and take buys as we break above to push up. That's what I'll wait for. Andre,
What's up, bro?
you sent me. What's that thing under your bowl? Is that a marble slab?
Yeah, it's a marble slab.
What the fuck? What kind of?
The bougie shit is this man's got a marble slab as a
This
coaster.
this guy got a marble slab. Show the chat your marble slab. This dude got a whole 5-pound marble slab sitting on his desk to eat breakfast.
Is the premiere.
Some oatmeal.
He is fine. Who even thinks of that close shit? That's a joke.
For like my coffee and my water that I put it on in the morning, and then when I eat my oatmeal at the desk, I throw it on there so that my like the bowl's super hot, right? So I don't want it to hook up my desk.
That's dope.
I can't lie, I've seen certain players so many times in the chat. I don't know what that is. Yeah, so you can find out in two ways. You can go on my YouTube channel, or not my YouTube channel, Trading Nuts YouTube channel. I have a video on Trading Nuts starter replay. This is me. This video is starter play talking about that. Or two, go on my Instagram, and there's gonna be this right here. This right here, this is our play. The Celery play. Man, after the stream, I gotta be quick with my edits because before this YouTube stream gets taken down, probably. I gotta be very quick with my edits today.
Man, Jimmy, wait till you learn how to use that cruise because it's actually way fire than you even know. Trust.
When I go to like a rest stop or whatever.
Trust me, you're gonna be like, whoa, my car can do this?
All right, I'm gonna find this. Like, bro, I had this car for like a year, and like I swear, I'm like, bro, everyone has cruise control but me. I need to learn which button it is.
When was your first entry on gold today? The first runner? My first entry today, man, was 1763.28. That was the first entry. Yeah, so okay, we might get the 15-minute starter play here on a 15. If you come up to break this high, because with that being said, This counts up. Damn, I sneezed. Oh yeah, 15-minute starter play here with this 30-minute candle wick fill at the same given time. That's what you can expect in this case. Where do you buy no free promo device at? You buy on a free promo device website, I think.
Good answer.
Yeah. If you guys aren't joining the stream today, guys, make sure you guys leave a like on the stream, man. Make sure you guys leave a like today. Everything is broken down to a T. Trade given. How many likes we got right now? 71. Yeah, I know we can get a little more than that, guys, today.
I see on a 30-minute, once this candle flips back bullish, it's finna fill that wick. See that play coming.
Jimmy.
So
you need to focus on the road, my friend. This man is on his phone looking for 30-minute wick fills while he's going 70.
And then you ask yourself, well, I was driving, I couldn't put my stop loss in time.
Yes, dude, yes. Oh
like,
my god.
I already closed half and put my thing at entry. I'm good.
Jimmy, whatever you do today, man, don't revenge anything from yesterday, please. Whatever you do today, you know?
No. I'm good. Good.
All right.
Our run is just running right now.
Is it the same two people that just like the stream every day or something? Yes, it is. It's the same two people every day. It's actually the same person with 3 different accounts every day. That's what it is. It's alright though, man. I don't really look at that stuff, right? As long as you guys got the trade, understood the trade, and got some value out of today's stream, that's all that matters. Right out for the vibes. Yeah, vibes are fire today.
What button is it?
Can I ask why y'all chose the name Celery? Hate the vegetable. Yeah, so I'll start with organic trading. So we trade with any type of indicators, and all we do is use a line and a box to identify our trades in our head. So therefore, it's organic. Whereas indicators is more of GMO, right? So that's why I came to starter play. We gave it a round name, and we also gave it a starter play just to kind of troll. You know how people would trade the banks and stuff. They like to have these huge big names for certain setups and trades. Starter play versus order blocks. So it's just a little bit troll, but I mean, I just give a point. I think we call it starter play just so everyone can kind of know what it is, right? Obviously, so they won't forget what the starter play is, and people
like
caught
Don
on.
Is the Elon Musk of trading. Like Elon Musk, he's like so serious, but then like jokes around with things.
He's cultured. Yeah, he's cultured. That's all.
Cultured.
You gotta be cultured. If you're not cultured, I don't know,
like,
man. It just doesn't feel.
Like some people was like, no way Dogecoin could go past 10 cents. Look where it's at now. Off of a meme. Literally off of a meme. And off of Elon.
I take this trade here. Let's see. Why is TradingView showing the PNG thing after? That's so weird. Wait, why does it show PNG? I didn't check charts anymore. Copy.
15-minute Celery maybe.
Yeah.
Yo, Jimmy, your Wi-Fi is not it right now, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Your internet, yeah, your internet's actually my internet right now. Wait, why can't I check charts anymore? Why does it show snapshots and then it shows PNG files? This is a link. That's weird. What's this? GA buys, clear side on left side. Yeah, it's pretty clean. I think your stop loss in this case could be a bit lower to make a logical sense. I think the stop loss in this case would probably be the low, because having here, although it's smaller, it just doesn't make sense to have it there, because like price comes here, price could still respect this low and still continue to push up, right? So as long as price respects this, the trade should be valid. So this is where your stop should be probably. I think that's a good trade. Gotta sneeze. Nose. Time is it? 8:36. 30-minute wick flow here. 15-minute starter play. Andre, you done for a day?
Definitely done for the day.
This was looking juicy.
Yeah, no, it looks good. Honestly, I probably would have been in on the 30-minute wick though. That 30-minute made a bottom wick since it's an aggro day. Had stops there for aggressive entries and moved stop loss to entry for break even, and let the 15-minute celery play out and the 30-minute break the highs.
I don't have a reason to enter another trade today. Like I just there's no point of me doing so or putting that risk again. This is a sub that I always take, but if this is my first trade, I'll take it 100% starter play here. But since like I have no good reason to take a trade today, another trade at least, this just doesn't make sense here. Jordan, I just hit a lot, $4,000 on my account. What lot size do I run with from Monday onwards? I think it depends on your personal preference, where risk you want to stick with. I'll say same risk, man. 1 to 2%, right? Risk doesn't change. The account changes, but risk stays the same. A $4,000 account, I'll say 0.40, 0.40 lots on average. You probably want to pop like 4 standards, don't you? 0.40 lots, my friend. I'm sorry, I gotta take it down. Nefak, FX. Don't over trade.
Bro, you two watching Don stream like, oh, you wanna play some good music? I got you. I got something coming.
I know it's like it seems like probably gonna be taken down today, sadly. But
it's alright.
That's alright. The highlight will be up. If you guys are here, it's there.
Still here. That's all that matters.
It may not though. It may not. There's a chance that it may not. But let's see.
Right, you just gotta, as soon as the stream ends, you gotta. All right, this is the highlight of the day.
There's a little stream. Yeah, Tierra Hempson. If you're doing timestamps, it's a 50-50. All right. I'm sorry. I apologize if you do timestamps and the video gets taken down after. It'll be a waste of time, but I reward you with 4 pips today. Or no, sorry, 60 pips today on gold, all right?
Bro, now look at the weekly on gold. Look how it's gonna throw that wick on the.
Yeah, and you're holding selves waiting for a rejection.
Shit, sells. Shit.
I mean, obviously today is different though. Day can't close above. It was definitely like you weren't looking for stalls today. I know you weren't, right?
Who?
You.
I was looking for straight buys.
Yeah, there you go.
Straight buys. And then like just looking for the weekly is hella bullish again. Like
nice.
last, it's like a clear wick drill situation on another weekly from like I think a week or 2 ago. Bro, I just added up. Like, that shit. Sells out the window at this point. Literally.
Hey, Control Facts, do you see a triple top on gold for a fall retracement? Oh man.
Hey,
Oh
what?
man.
What's a triple top? That. I ain't never heard that. Like, think he means head and shoulders, yeah? Yes.
Hey Jim, not gonna lie, bro. Your fucking car's loud as shit.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I think triple tops. I mean, when I used to trade like that, I'll see it, but now that I kind of know what it means and what it is, without guessing and predicting, it just doesn't make sense anymore to me. So no, but also yes to agree with you from 2 years ago when I first started trading, or the first couple of years or first couple of months when I started trading, when I was learning about triple tops, double bottoms, all that stuff, right? But if you take a sell, it's very risky, frisky, and it just doesn't make sense when all timers are bullish, right? And you want to follow the trend until it breaks. But triple top, we have broken all tops today. But yeah. Yeah.
I'm good for the day. I'm done.
My Dom RSI crossed 70 and it lands it with my fave for a hashtag sniper entry. Did I take it? Hey, so I know you're trolling, man. You got me trolling. Hashtag not a retail trader. Nah, yeah. Yeah, no, I was trying to, but real answer though, real shit, real answer. Yeah, I don't really see triple tops anymore, right? Because when you're entering yourself at triple top or buy off a double bottom, like you're kind of like trying to catch a reversal. And long term, more times you're gonna get stopped out on those, trying to catch those tops and bottoms. Whereas if you follow a trend until it breaks, we're more likely to win your trades long term. You know what I mean? So there's that. That's my serious answer. So can you explain once again why do you move stop loss as it breaks the previous candle high? Is it because Algo already? I do it on a normal day as well. In that situation, when I move a stop to break even from our entry, we also got like I think 9 pips around that range. So once we got like around 8-7 pips, I move stops to break even, make it a risk-free trade. And with the entry that we got on the open of the candle, I did not see or expect this candle to flip bearish here if it wanted to drive up, because this is a new kind of low. Price shouldn't break that low if it wants to drive up. Right, on the opening. So at the time it was looking like this. It was like this, right? So if we were to flip bearish, high chance it may just come down to make a steeper retracement or steeper support, and we don't know where that's going to be yet. So I want to be in that position, you know what I mean? So that's why I manage risk in that case. This man is so damn humble. He doesn't even read a chat. He read a comment out loud. He just laughs and keeps answering chat questions.
It's crazy.
Yeah, all seriousness, you know, I just said show up every day. Like, guys, we do nothing different any day. We do the same thing every single day. Same entries we look for, same sales we look for, same server plays. Like, nothing changes. Like long term, right? For the past year or so, like yes, I've seen By doing the same thing every day, you can become consistent and profitable, right? Whatever your strategy is, whatever works for you. But just make sure you understand everything that you do. Every single thing that you do, you understand the back end of it and the front end of it. Oh, that's a double top? Well, why is that a double top? What's happening on a smaller time? What's happening on a higher time frame? Why is that a double top? What does that mean? Right? Ask yourself those questions. And every single thing that you do in FX comes down to even drawing a line. Why is your line drawn there? Why is it not drawn here instead? Right? Because it doesn't give you a better, an easier way of understanding your strategy. Anything else you want to add there, Andre?
Bro, you put it well, man. I just think it's interesting that you can have the mindset of, like I said, like maybe having an amazing day and you're not boasting about it, you're not like bragging about it, you don't even acknowledge it, right? Like, I mean, I'm your homie, right? So you might send it to me and be like, yo, because we send each other our MT5 terminals, but I just know there's a lot of other streamers out there that if they had a 10K day, of whatever kind of, 200 pip runner, they would be just boasting nonstop. This man doesn't say anything. He just keeps on reading the questions in the chat and keeps on answering people's questions. It's just, it's crazy.
Yeah. I mean, I just don't think it's fair though. I mean, obviously, it's fair, I guess. It's my, I'm training for myself, obviously, right? But I just don't want to be talking, oh, like I had a 10K day today, and you guys just keep to the stream. Like, I'll say I caught a move today. I'll say I broke it down today, so I'm happy. But I wouldn't brag about, having a sick type of day.
Hey, bro, I found out how to do cruise control. It's lit.
An hour later.
Yo.
How long you had this car?
I had the car for like a year, almost a year. Next month makes a year. Bro, I finally found out, and bro, this is technology for real.
You got the lane joint going? You got the lane, the little.
Bro, I found it. It's like it works like this. All right, so I had to drive up close to my friend that's in front of me, right? And then like it does this little scanner thing. It scanned like how fast the car in front of me is going, and then it just like took his freaking speed level and then follows behind it. This is technology for real. This shit is dope.
This guy just discovered technology today, bro.
Oh my God.
This guy just woke up today.
Bro, I feel like an old ass man right now. This is just so fucking dope.
That's only one part of it, but you'll learn.
When you finally come from underneath your rock.
Bro.
That lane assistance is really good at like here in the New York City area. Like,
yeah.
all over the place in your car.
I stole this man power level.
What you did, that was the low speed follow that your car has. There's like a front sensor on it, detects distance. Yeah. And you also have a camera on the front of your car too, though. Detects lane markings. You'll be able to turn it on and it'll keep you in the lane.
Yeah.
Imagine Jimmy in a Tesla. Oh man, this guy will be wild over each and everything. The car honks.
I drove in a Tesla once, but that shit's too fast. That shit is too fast. I'm sorry. And it's so quiet and fast. That's what's scary about it.
Oh man.
What are you thinking, Don? Wait on this 4-hour candle?
Yeah, at this given point, we have about 10 minutes left in this 4-hour candle here. This is probably why it's not pushing up here. But I want a closure above 1781.597. I think once that happens, we should be good to go towards the next level of resistance, which is up here at 1790.862. But that's 10 minutes. We have a lot of time, and I do actually expect it to close above as well. There's a resistance here, let's see. That's a lot of time. A long time. So let's see what happens. Now I need to discover stop loss. This guy gotta discover a stop loss now. Jimmy, man. Jimmy. I feel like every time you have a bad day like this, you always, last time was a barbecue, and this time it was a stop loss. Like, come on, bro. Hey, what's happening, man? You gotta be locked in 24/7 onto your trade. Locked in. That's real money, man. That's hard money you worked for, man. You can't blame it on a barbecue.
What about barbecue?
No, last time the same thing happened to him. He said he was at a barbecue and he wasn't paying attention.
That shit was lit.
Jimmy, bro, that's real money. That's money you work for, man. That's money you work for.
And then just went to my ticket, and then just had fun. And then I got fucked.
No, man, that's real money though, man.
Yup.
Even if it was like a $10 account, I mean, obviously it was a lot more than that. But even if it was like a $10 account and you blew it, like same thing applies. It's real, actual money. I started a week up 2% and now I'm down 2% at the end of the week. I don't know. I know what I did wrong over trading and increased my lot size because I thought I was doing good. See, here's the thing. Here's why I don't really talk about like increasing lot sizes as much. I tend to just say stick with your comfortability. But sometimes people think that after having a good week or 2 weeks, they can increase the lot size. Like obviously keep the same risk as your account size as it grows, but I don't know. It's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to explain that. Because you can look at it from two different perspectives, right? Let me think. Because if I just say, do what you're comfortable with, comfort can mean anything. Comfort can mean over leveraging your account. You just you want fast growth. Okay, here we go.
Done. How long did it take for you to become consistent and profitable? What's the biggest problem before? You probably have answered these questions 1,000 times, but I appreciate if you answer this.
I got you, man. Well, to become consistent and profitable, the first focus should be figure out what your plan is. And that does not mean my plan is to catch 10 pips every day, my plan is to catch 1,000 pips every day, or my plan is to catch or to make $1,000 every day, whatever it is money wise, right? That should not be your plan. Your plan should be to wake up every day at the same time every day and doing the same exact things every single day. And how do you find that? Well, the waking up part is pretty easy and simple. You wake up at 6:30 every day or whatever time you're trading and you stay on until that session, pretty much, like 6:30 to 9, etc. All right, for New York. Okay, once you figure that out, you want to focus on one or two pairs. GJ, gold, whatever it is you want to look at. Once you find that, you're probably going to want to focus on doing the same thing every day. And that's the hard part. Because to find that out, it's not going to take a day. It's not going to take 2 days. It's going to take a couple months to maybe years. To maybe a year or years, yeah, like I said. Because for that to happen, you're going to need to figure out a sample size for yourself. You're going to need to enter the same trades over and over and over again. And you gotta get used to understanding that, figuring out what the same trades are, like being able to visually see the same trades over and over again, and being able to take those same trades over and over again to a point where a sample size, you have a percentage for it. Once you figure out that percentage, you get rid of the ones that are weak, the 60% ones, the 7% ones, the 50% ones, and you stick with the ones that are higher winning rates. So the 80% ones or 90% ones. Once you figure that stuff out, you will be a robot, because that's all you'll look for every day. You won't look for anything else. You only look for those steps and those entries over and over again. If you don't see it, you don't take a trade. And that's what I do every day. Do the same shit every day. That's what I mean by doing that every day. So that's how you become profitable and consistent. But you don't become profitable and consistent by over leveraging your account and over trading your account, because you want to force your account to grow to a certain amount in a day, in a week, in a month. You got me? But yeah, you better write all those steps down. That's it to become profitable.
Fire.
I had to pause the music for it too. That's how real it was. I paused the music and everything for you guys.
Who was that you were talking to?
DP. Display picture. I think where people should start taking out your indicators off.
Indicators on.
I record that part. Yeah, go back screen record it before the stream gets taken down, man. But that's it. That's it.
Don, if you notice, it's like therapy session in here with people that come to confession and tell you about how they were up 600% and then lost it all 2 days later. How many times have you heard that over the last 6 months?
What? That question?
You know, like people come in, hey Don, I made
I see it.
$100 into $10,000 and I lost it all back 2 days later. Like something crazy like that. They made 500, 600% and then gave it all back.
I see it. You know, I'm just like I don't wish for them something bad to happen to them, no. But I wish that they can understand that those aren't sustainable gains you can keep up with every day. Like I don't wish they will blow our account or anything. I just wish that they can learn to understand the good profits as bad profits. As much as I want to be happy for you that you made 600% account in a week, I know it's gonna go to waste pretty soon. As you're gonna keep with the same habits that got you to that 600% account growth. Those are bad habits. Over trading, over leveraging, right? Yeah, man. I don't know. It's tough to watch because like you've been through it yourself, and as much as like, you know what it takes to really get over that hump, right? So and it sucks when people keep falling into the same traps and same mistakes over and over again because one, you told them, and two, they haven't realized it yet, which is fine, but they'll eventually realize that at some given point, right? That's the beauty of trading. That's why you don't really give up. People give up because they keep making the same mistakes over again, and you know what their mistakes are. Do you know how many times I get a question of, "Hey Don, I keep overtrading. How do I stop overtrading?" You just stop overtrading. You said it yourself. That's how that is, right? Like you know why you're overtrading. Just stop overtrading. Just take your trades and call it a day. Don't look at anything else after. Close out your trades. Close out your MT5, MT4. Close out your C trader. I need a therapy session more than a signal. Yeah. The session was definitely worth more than a signal. Like that alone, that part alone was worth more than that 55 pips we caught earlier with you guys.
You know, just to give in my 2 cents, you know, mentorship, you know what I mean? That accountability, you know, it's just being a solo trader, controlling your psychology, you know, yeah, that's the most common problem I feel like, you know, over leveraging, over trading, but you know, having that perspective from somebody who's literally where you're trying to be, you know, telling you what to do. Feel like it just adds another, you know, that's another notch to wanting to do better for yourself because you know what you need to do.
How many students are roughly in the week in the students group? Around on average 1 or 2 a day. I started off my live account this week. I had no money to start trading before, but after working a couple months, I saved up enough money to start my live account. That's good. Yep. I'll tell you guys, you know, if you're working, it's fine. You can work and trade at the same time. Just treat your job as a full-time, and whereas treat trading as a hobby until it naturally replaces your job. Naturally. Else, you know what's gonna happen to you? If you try to force trade into workout free, this is what's gonna happen to you.
Get fucked up. Get fucked up. Get fucked up.
That's what's happened to you. So you don't want that to happen. Yeah, change your name to Ciao Bella. Yes, sir, Chad. Yes, sir.
Boom,
Imagine. We need a star player here. We need a Ciao Bella in the chat.
Oh god.
Let's see how you learn from this one. This is one of the biggest helps. We're here every day, man. We're here every day. If he has, want to confess that you blew your account, overtrade your account, or leverage your account, it's here. Therapy session is free here. The pips are free, but the therapy is free as well.
It's like AA.
I messed up an open at 1783 Shaste. Did you really mess up an open? Did you really mess up an open, Mohammed? Or did you just open it and now you're like, fuck, and now you're like, Don, you know what? I need help on getting out of this trade here, but I don't want to say that I got on a trade on purpose because I don't want to make myself look bad. So I'm just gonna say I opened it by accident. I read your mind. I'll say, man, this forward closed bullish here. This guy has low bottom wick. This guy's probably gonna come down and create a lower wick. So I'll say try to get out here and then wait for a closure above this range later on for price to drop up. The forward did not close above the range, but it still closed bullish. Above this range at least. Yeah, this count's probably gonna come down and create a lower wick to be formed. This count has no bottom wick right now in the opening. Andrew, so how'd your week end? So you had not the cleanest week, but I guess today made it up, right? For your whole week?
Yeah.
For sure.
I had 4 wins, 3 losses, and then today I had 82 pip runner on gold, so made up for it. I think I ended the week in a positive of like 267, which is not great, right? I had that 2 back-to-back gold losses that took like 80% of my profits from the week. So this Friday trade really pushed me into the blue. I would ask you how your week went, but I already know.
Well, I had a pretty choppy week. I knew that this week I wasn't gonna trade GJ as much, so I was pretty chill GJ. I looked at gold a lot more. I think I only took like a couple of 3J positions. Biggest loss for the week so far was I think 10 pips or 9 pips. Sorry, 11 pips on gold on Monday. So two losses on Monday. Me? Yeah, I remember that day.
Yeah, you took 2 losses on Monday.
Yep, 2 losses on Monday. And then 13 Tuesday wins, break even win. But yeah, Tuesday's a good day. Yeah, we made up for the next day. I think we caught like 27 pips on stream that day.
Wow.
On the stream. And then yesterday was for me 5 pip loss on GJ and then break even trade. And then took the gold trade at the end. Unnecessary trade kind of during a workout with Andre. Took a 9 pip loss on that on gold sells. 9 pip loss, kept loss is small. And then today, obviously, you'll see later on, but
yeah,
I don't want to talk too much on it.
I feel like I learned a good amount on GJ this week. Like I was anticipating, just because I've been catching GJ for the past 5 weeks and haven't really been losing, that I was expecting, because it was, I guess, maybe a little bit more clean than it was this week. And if GJ looks like this like next week, then it's just a good opportunity to stay out and just watch, rather than feel like I have to try and catch 10 pips during the New York session. I think that's what attributed to a couple of my my losses. I mean, I have one GJ loss, 2 gold, but still.
But you know what makes a huge difference? When you're able to identify Algo days, or when you're able, because then you'll be able to identify range it is. Like a daily GJ is rangey. You know to stay out today. You know it, right?
Yeah, didn't even look at GJ. Like, I mean, I looked at it this
Didn't you
morning,
mark it
and then I didn't even mark it up, bro. I didn't even mark it up, especially because like gold was
I ain't even touch
so
it.
nice.
Yeah.
I took that one trade in GJ in London, and then I saw how it was acting. I just went back to bed.
See what Jeffrey just said in the chat?
What did he
I think
say?
it's important. He just said basically he's had 10 weeks in a row of profitable weeks, and then he might have like a break-even week or a loss. I think that is something I learned too. Like I had 12 weeks in a row of every single session just killing it, right? Like I had like 22 winning trades in a row, was killing it, was feeling awesome, and then I just felt like I could take a trade when I maybe shouldn't have on like GJ or gold or something. And just because you have 10 weeks profitable, 12 weeks profitable, you're still susceptible to have like a bad week, right? Like right now I have like what I would consider basically like a break-even week, and it can still happen even if you're profitable, even if you're consistent. Like you still have to not get cocky, stay humble.
Yep. That's why when I wake up every day, I don't expect to make money. I don't expect to lose money. I just do the same thing every day. Follow my same plan. And I know long term, whatever happens that day wouldn't affect my long term plan. And I know long term is not going to work out. That's what I know off of what I've tested personally and what I've done, right? And been through. 100% true. I almost blew my account. I try very hard to bring it up so I don't have to deposit again. Stop chasing money, right? Stop trying to bring your account up to a point where you got to deposit and just trade it as it is. Just risk your 1 or 2%. You don't got to over leverage your account to get to a certain amount to become comfortable at trading. You're always gonna want more regardless of what you have, right? So just focus on doing the same thing every day, catching the same trades every day, looking for the same opportunities every day. Should we look at the result at the end of every week, or just trade and look at the result at the end of the month? What do you think? I look at the profits every week, obviously. I look at the profits every day, but I don't like focus on it. Like, that's not my goal. Like I don't have a goal every week that I need to make, or a day, right? I'm trying to do the same thing every day. But yeah, like Tyra said it, try to review your trades every day, review your losses, see what you did wrong in that situation, and don't just brush it off. Go back in depth, go deeply in depth there. Where could my stop loss have been? Did the trade make sense or not, right? Obviously sometimes when you do take a trade, it may not play out, but overall long term that exact same trade scenario will play out in the future. But that's up to you to figure out by creating a sample size for yourself. Focus on process, yes.
To be honest, I think that's what I'm missing myself. I still ain't did that sample size. I been dodging it, but if I'm being real with myself, I gotta really start doing it, like for real.
Gotta be real with yourself too. Yeah, can't lie to yourself.
Yeah, like I was doing it, but the way I was doing it, I wasn't documenting the right way, so it wasn't really doing it. It was almost like I wasn't doing nothing at all. So.
Andre, head out.
Yeah, man, I got 6 clients back to back today. I got a long ass day.
All right, bro. Have fun.
About to bounce. Everyone, peace out. Yo, amazing stream, amazing vibes.
Amazing win.
Yes, Sirski. Yes, Sirski.
Yeah, peace out, Andre.
Peace out, Andre.
Later, boys.
Right,
see you, man.
Chad Bella, what's up? By the way, guys, look at gold. It came down, right?
Yep.
We mentioned how that fork had no bond wick because then come down, create a lower wick. Gold's still bullish here. Just there's no entries right now for buys. I think as long as this forward kind of respects this forward low down here, it should be fine for buys going up still. We gotta find support somewhere. We don't know what that's gonna be yet, but I'm saying wait for that support to form somewhere. It could be here. It could be here. Who knows? But wherever that support gets formed, those are buys you want to take. So again, same situation. You come down, create support somewhere. It says here. Logically, it could be here. At this support, you probably want to close your bullish at support like this to go up to retest the highs again, to continue up for a day. The bullish trend. That's probably what you want, right?
Triple top.
Do you think gold reach 1785? Again, for that to happen, you're gonna need a closure above 1781 here. A 1 hour closure above, or a 30-minute closure above in this case. And then once you get that closure above, it should be good to go up. But until then, there's no buys. If you break 1781, then you're looking at 1790 today.
Don.
Yo.
So I'm guessing there's someone on this stream that's looking at gold and looking at taking sells.
Oh, for sure. They're probably in sales right now, and they're getting hyped about this count I came down here. Which is fine. Right? But just manage. I'll say move stocks to break even.
When I first started, I used to do that. I would see a push down and I would just jump in because I just thought I would just ride the wave.
I mean, I think if gold breaks this support, maybe potential sells, keep in mind a higher time frame is bullish, so at any given point we can still fake back up into the range. I'll stay out, and if the move happens, it happens, right? But I'm not, again, like, don't try to catch every single move in the markets. You know, like, you're done for a day, you're buying, and this is what's causing you to overtrade. The same people that are asking for sells right now below support are the same people that are overtrading. You know, I just call it a day. All the trend until it breaks, right? That's how that is. Done because it's an algo day. Will you be on a stream a little longer? Probably not, man. Like, probably for a bit, but I don't know. I gotta edit my video here, post it on Instagram, and then just vibe out. But and also I had a good day today, so there's no need for me to be on charge for longer at all, right?
Hey, I'm not sure, Don, if you they got the movie Nobody's coming out tonight, man, on online. Check it out.
I don't know what that is.
It's a movie about a guy. He couldn't stop his family from being robbed, and then they did a home invasion. He's like a mom and a guy, and then he turned into John Wick. It's a good movie.
I never heard of it. I'll check it out though.
Yeah,
I don't really watch movies though.
Oh, it's an action movie. It's good. It's called Nobody.
No, for sure, check it out. What do you do usually after the stream? I would edit my videos, my content. I'm trying to post a TikTok today as well, though, to be honest. And then after that, I just kind of vibe out. Maybe play Warzone later on or something. I usually get a workout after, but I'm gonna work out today, so I'm chilling.
Gold's coming down to that level of support.
Yeah, Rams, yeah, it did in this situation, but like, see how like there's just like, it can be anywhere though. Like triple tops can be formed anywhere. You kind of want to wait for that closure, wait for that bearish closure, and then take your positions, right? Because if you're just gonna take sells off of tops each and every time, you're just like, there's so many tops could have sold off of, and you would have got stopped out every time, especially on an uptrend day. Right, wait for that support to form, resistance to form. There's a difference between waiting, thinking, and seeing compared to predicting and guessing, right? In FX, huge difference. Are you in uni? No, I'm not. I'm just a full-time trader right now as we speak. But yeah, I think I'm rammed. If this support does break, then we may see 70-22 maybe, essentially. But keep in mind, the 4 hour still hasn't flipped yet, so careful, right? Careful. Hey Zerks, I don't think it's dropping today, bro. If I'm being honest with you, bro.
What you talking about, the course?
Like, we already updated it, right? But like the last part of it, I don't think it's gonna be today though. I don't think I said today, right?
It's alright.
Yeah. I record some this weekend, so. Yeah, I think I'm calling it a day, guys. Thanks for your knowledge, Don. I'm new to FOREX world. I've been training since March 1st, 2021. Started with 589 and brought it up to 1.6k dance. It's been downhill for me, but I refuse to give up. And again, don't focus on. You started March 1st, 2021. That was a month ago. Of 100% count, 200% count growth within a month. ask yourself, is that sustainable long term, right? Again, don't overtrade, don't over leverage your account. I know the difference between good profits versus bad profits. No difference, right? But you got this, man. Other than that, guys, I want to know how long to become a full-time trader. 2 years. But yeah, I think other than that, guys, I think I'm gonna call it a day. We did good today. We caught gold buys on the live stream today with you guys. Entries given, TP given, stop loss given, management given. Hope you guys learned from that. The trade itself, not actually the profits or the pips that we gave. But yeah, catch you guys later, man. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Leave a like if you guys did. Follow me on my Instagram page. Let's get to 3K followers, and subscribe if you guys haven't yet. All right. Peace and love, guys. Peace and love.
Peace out, y'all. Stay safe.
Peace out. Peace out.
Good weekend, everyone.
I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. He said, that's a rolling kid. I said, this is a new rolling kid. I am a Splistonian. Look how big this rollie is. Uzi, I am proud of you. Rock. Star yellow bitch like corn. Went to MIA, turn orange. Pull up new lamb, no insurance. Baby foreign. Overseas money when a nigga torn. She suck it up and the eyes start pouring. Let me strap my leg out like George. Whoa. Let's go. It's no way that I'm finding you. She move like a prostitute. She ain't got a lot to lose. No, no, at all. Yes, my rolly face is green. Slimy rolly face is red. Got no rolly face is blue. Let's go. For sure, for sure. I could never make that girl my hoe. Cause she play with her nose. Put diamonds on my wrist, my hands, my neck, my nose. I ran out of space, put it on my ankle, put it on my toes. Oh yeah, put it on your bitch. Put it on my bro. Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. He said, that's a rolling kid. I said, this is a new rolling kid. I am a Splistonian. Look how big this rollie is. Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. He said, that's a rolling kid. I said, this is a new rolling kid. I am a Splistonian. Look how big this rollie is. Uzi, I am proud of you.
I jumped in the crowd. And I feel so proud. I killed by my dog, and that's a hands down. Lucy, a real king. Somebody pass my crown. I had a dream about Nina. Woke up, pulled a ounce. I just bought a car, put it in my mouth. 150 Lord, and I still can't talk. I supply this town. I ran out of rounds. I took off the rolling and put it on the ground. Took the words out my mouth.
Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. He said, that's a rolling kid. I said, this is a new rolling kid. I am a Splistonian. Look how big this rollie is. Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. Uzi, I am proud of you. I said, Slime, I'm proud of you. He said, that's a rolling kid. I said, this is a new rolling kid. I am a Splistonian. Look how big this rollie is. Uzi, I am proud of you.
Mario on her every day, and I'm on the water just like a crate. The semen sitting on the face, marinate. Stop by the eye like a parasite. I got the heat at 200 Fahrenheit. I got a European bitch on Barry White. Rolling the bitch like a motherfucking rampart. I keep at least 10,000 on my land. Hey, the bitch that just wanna fuck me cause my status. I let on 32 just like magic. So the bitch give me rooftop drop. But we shoot at your whole head, we ain't cropping it. I'ma air it out just like the laundryman. Walking with whole bags, money counting man. And my neck water like the fountain man. And we got 0 losses like the Portland man. Get to the money, you know it's important man.
Uzi, I am proud of you.
Uzi, I'm so proud of you.